toboa hapa mabua. Sijui ni yeye ama ni straight, yani ako confused yani. Huyu ni gay, torokeni. Uliza Steve kama siku mutandika bijikosi ya huyu. Niliruka na ngumi kawambia pak. Uliza Sofia kulikuwa kubaya. Guys, musinichukia because ina sauti. Huyu mwanaume ni hatari. Daisy wanakaa karibu na Daisy 20 minutes. Daisy akaniambia haki na kufa.
Hi, Judge.
Hello, still nice.
Wewe matako ya paka umboika sia nugu. Kuma wewe. Nikome. Kazi yako ni kutidia don't fucking mention me. I don't know you, bitch. Sawa. Leave me alone. I leave you. I don't talk to about you. Kazi yako Steve. Move back. Fuck on. Move on. Like what the fuck? Kazi yako ni kunitaja. Mimi why you mentioning me? Mention your family. I don't know you. Usikuja hapa hivi kazi yako ni kutaja. I don't fucking know you. Steve who's for here? Idiot. Bwagni. Nikome wewe. Fucking don't mention me. Guys, niulize chokora. Kwa nini kazi yako ni kunitaja? Don't you like have other things to talk about? Have I ever mentioned you? Wacha nikwambie, let me tell you how good I am. Gifta wako mwenye alikuja kukugift kwa ile game. I'm known her since 2014. That's my best friend. Nilijua akikuja kukugift. That's how good I am. Sawa? But Nikome, I swear to God, Judge, I'm asking, I want you to tell this guy to leave me the fuck alone. Do him, I do me. Never mention me, I never mention him. Is that too easy? Like, is that hard to task? Where kazi yako ni hapa? Steve, sijui, doken, matakataka na hizo mani,
Niwacha ni kuonyesha umbua hii, sasa ni kupuli.
Si unionyesha hiyo. Picha zenye tulikuwa na wewe.
Onyesha kuonyesha umbua hii.
Funguka. Kazi yako wewe ni
umbua hii matako wewe.
What the fuck? Hebu nikuulize Judge.
Si wewe ndio mwingine.
Ni nani mtu mzima anachukua mwanaume mwingine
anataka
kwa live mtu amelala alafu unachukulia video. Who does that?
Wacha.
Hello guys, it's your girl Patience Status. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit the subscription box and put on the notification bell so that you don't forget any time I post a new video. Remember, I'm the queen of online gossip. So welcome to today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment on the comment section.
Black Cinderella. Your Honors, first of all, the case before us is of one Mr. Papster. And the case is against, is between himself and his supposed wives. Now, the wives in question are Carol Star, Kamba Princess, and Sonke Kores. So these three women are the ones in court today. I do not have the details of the case. However, we have heard of accusations of again, extortion. Another accusation, a possible accusation, could be of what you call revenge porn. So there are many issues at hand, Your Honor. I will now give the mic back to Judge Black Cinderella. You can take the mic, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Madam Prosecutor. Unfortunately, it is a Saturday and we are still dedicated to court, so allow me to be getting ready in a few. But I was there, I was listening, and I would love to brief the judge that what we have here is a team of ladies who are complaining of the certain individual. Madam Prosecutor, is the individual coming to court, or we are going to preside ex parte?
We may preside ex parte. However, he is very cooperative normally. So I will share the live with him again. I will send our soldiers to pick him up. Hopefully, he will come to court. He's normally very, very cooperative, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. I can see the comment section is a bit confused. Sorry, my phones are showing Saturday, depending on where I am. But anyway, Madam Prosecutor, let us proceed.
Your Honor, I shared the live with him.
All right.
Okay,
Thank you for that. Thank you for that, Junior Prosecutor Magda. Madam Prosecutor, with your advisory, we are supposed to start with the. Please lead us in this court.
Yes. So first of all, I will ask if the third complainant is around. One, Miss Sonkei Kores. I think she calls herself Pap Star. Got something. I think she's changed her name to imply she is the number one wife of this gentleman. I cannot see her in court, Your Honor. So allow me to swear in. And before I do that, may I ask our Chief Justice Raf Muli to take the mic, please? And also perhaps greet the court before I swear the complainants in.
Yes, thank you very much. The Court of Kenya, Chief Justice Raf Zidadi, aka Raf Muli. And today, we are yet on another series or case, the ongoing case of Pap's family, and I'm aware of what is going on. However, guys, I've been in holiday. Went to and have been spending time in Tanzania, Kenya, in Saimara, trying to fetch lions. Whatever, or just watching the big fights and all that. So this case is going to be presided over by my fellow Justice Black Cinderella. So all the best. I'll be here taking note, and if you need my advisory, I'll be right here. Greetings to each and everyone as the court resumes. Thank you very much, Madam Prosecutor. Thank you very much, the court. Thank you very much, members of jury. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sorry for interrupting your honors. Sorry for interrupting your honors, but I'm here for only one job. Please, my job was to bring people to tap the screen, and I can see people are not tapping the screen. Please help the court get more views, guys. This is a very, very, very huge need. Please, can everybody tap the screen? Tap the screen for the viewer honor, guys. Allow people to join. Share the live stream, guys. People need to hear this madness. Please, everybody I knew so. I'm one of the wives. I am one of. You wanna protect me. You wanna protect me. I am one of the wives. Yes, I am one of Baxter's wives.
as you as
Okay. So first of all, Junior Prosecutor Madam Magda Harris, please keep your I don't know what to call them and on short leashes because it's too much. The interruption is too much. Thank you. Now I will drop one senior counsel down to the guest, and then I will bring her up when time is right. So Madam Muyu, allow me to drop you for now. I will bring you up. Is that okay? Thank you so much. Thank you. I need to bring the other sister wife up to court. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. So meanwhile, can we tap, please follow the instructions of our court, I think I've brought
the court clerk.
The court clerk. Allow, follow the instructions of the court clerk. Prince Mwiti, do tap, guys, tap and share the live,
Your Honor, just a minute. Papsa keep on call with Carol Star. 1 minute, let me bring her back.
Okay, bring her back, please. Thank you so much. All right. So, guys, first of all, members of the public, members of the jury, members of the judiciary, senior judges, lawyers, and also court clerks, prosecutors. Let me just begin by identifying, telling you the identities of the people concerned with this case. We have Miss Kamba Princess, who is now in cups, ako kwa chai, sijui anafanya nini. Miss Kamba Princess, just block the gentleman, please, for now. You okay? Yeah, block him if you can.
Calling me continuously.
Yes, because it does not want you to speak the truth. There is some information that you have that he does not want TikTokers to have, or members of the public to have. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Madam Prosecutor, you have a warning. They've asked me to remove you, but I've cancelled it. So I think it's putting our whatever at risk a bit, our live. Pap.
Sorry, I forgot. Sorry, I apologize to the court.
Okay, thank you so much. Now we also have Madam Pap, real wife OG, who is also Madam Sonkei. She's also here to speak for herself. Allow me now to do the oath with Kamba Princess because she needs to start talking immediately. So Kamba Princess, I'm going to put you on the podium and I want you to take an oath before you start speaking. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes. Now, first of all, will you be speaking in English or Kiswahili?
Combination.
Okay. Now, second of all, are you a Christian or a Muslim?
Christian.
Thank you so much. Okay. So I want you to repeat this after me, kindly. I, Kamba Princess.
I, Kamba Princess.
Do solemnly swear.
Do solemnly swear.
That everything I will say before this court.
That everything I'll say before this court.
Will be the truth.
Will be the truth.
And nothing but the truth.
And nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
Oh, help me God.
Thank you. Thank you so much. All right. So the next person that I will be swearing in will be Pap real wife OG, Miss Onkei Kores. Can you come back? Thank you. So I need you, Miss Kores, do you want to speak in English or Swahili? Swahili. Okay. Sonke, sema tu English kwa sababu mimi hata sijui Kiswahili. Sasa hizi ni mawat. Sema tu English.
Okay, continue. Papa na miss.
Okay. Are you Christian or Muslim?
Sema tu ongea Kijaluo.
Are you Muslim or Christian?
I am Christian. I'm sorry going to kuchuchai niko na information from Papa and tumia evidence. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, I'm going to swear you in real quick before you take that information, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I need you to say this after me. I, Miss Sonkei Kores.
I, Miss Sonkei Kores. Miss Kores.
I do solemnly swear.
Do solemnly swear.
That everything I will say.
Everything I'll say.
Before this court today.
Before this court.
Will be the truth.
Truth and
nothing but the truth.
Nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
Help me God.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Miss Kores. All right. So now we are ready to begin, Your Honor. I don't know if you now want to hear the first I think
yes, Madam Prosecutor, and the judge, also Judge Dramaaa, and all the senior counsels. We are going to preside on this in a very in a good decorum, turn taking, because it is sensitive. The ladies are going to open up. So when Kamba Princess is speaking, the first plaintiff, I need her to have time. Don't react, and if you do, we are going to just drop you or fine you in this court. It's a very serious court, and we want that emotions and everything. It helps us in judging and knowing where exactly there is a problem. So, Madam Prosecutor, pay attention to that. We can have the first plaintiff.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I believe the judges have the moderation button. Judge Cinderella, I'll give that back to you. I think Judge Muli has it. And Judge Auka, welcome. Oh, I forgot to announce the arrival of another Chief Justice, Judge Auka. Feel welcome, Your Honor. Feel welcome. Thank you.
Prosecutor, please, we need a box for the other co-wife, and we have 4 co-wife. There's Kiki, one Kiki, and also Carol Star.
Okay, so what we will be doing, we'll be moving, because we cannot have all the boxes for co-wife, so we'll be moving them up and down, okay, when they need to speak. All right, Miss Sonke. I hope that's okay.
Miss Kores.
Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, so Kamba Princess, are you there? You can now take the mic. You can give your full statement to this court. We have the judges here. Senior counsel are down in the comments. They are listening. Thank you.
Today, Papster, okay, I'll start with yesterday. All throughout he was saying that I'm the main chick. And then in the course of the day, he changed his mind. He said it's Carol M. And I told him we are parting ways. He said it's okay. He went ahead and started apologizing the all night, calling, making sure that I get to Kansas today to go and see him. And
it's okay, don't cry.
6 p.m. today, we saw a live that Sonke had went with Carol M and T, Mash, and a few other guys. He asked me not to go there. So in the course of the day, I told him, I'm not going to come to Kansas to come see you, yet you claimed Carol M to be your main chick. I do not understand why I should pay a ticket to go to Kansas, come see you. So he said, I'll open a live so that they can come, and then I claim. So normally Sonke comes to his live and Carol M. So today they didn't happen to show up. So he told me they're scared because they don't want to feel bad when I'm claiming you. And yet he went ahead and told them that I've said that they need to be blocked. He's been sending me videos of nude women with their face. I know them from TikTok. Sonke being one of them. Kiki, while she's like masturbating with that dildo. And Kiki, so I've been saying.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, the first plaintiff. I think before this court, we have the testimony or the witness statement is starting in the middle, because I'm just hearing about the the dildos and everything. I don't know if you are proceeding far. I think.
Now, Kamba Princess, you really need to, thank you, Your Honor, you really need to give a detailed history. And you can speak in any language, doesn't have to be English, okay?
Yeah, so we can understand it.
Yeah. So give a detailed account of what has gone on from the beginning, if possible, without going too much into...
I'm the main chick, like I'm the only chick. He's only exploiting money from Sonke and Carol M. So tunakula hiyo pesa pamoja, and then I told him I don't need that. So
that is a fucking lie, because I have never sent even a single cent.
Can I talk, Carol M?
Thank you. I have never sent him any money. Can I explain? By the way, Papstar tumekuwa naye kwa phone na anakuja. Kamba Princess, you're not gonna trend the way you want. Sijai mtumia pesa.
Okay,
so that's a fucking lie. Okay, mimi sijai tuma anything.
Wewe go wife,
let us
protect the victim.
No, Carol Star, let us speak.
You need to protect the plaintiff.
Order in court.
Okay.
Please, you can go and fuck yourself.
Okay. So can we first of all now the language is
full.
The language.
Your Honor.
Yesterday.
No kinyongesha watu
Your Honor.
wenyewe
The language. Your Honor.
You're gonna be losing at the end of this life.
Your Honor, the language. The language. No profanity.
Order everyone. We need to
karibu na please mwitini yekeni somewhere I'm not karibu na ye.
Order please. Can we have order, Madam Prosecutor? Can we have order please?
Yes. Munitoe zero ama nishuke.
Order. Can we proceed, Madam?
Kutoa zero na wewe kwa wife, relax.
So, I booked a flight last week to go and see him, and then we kind of like tukakosana. I did not go, so I was supposed to go again today. Like I booked for another flight today, so tukakosana because of Carol and Sonke. I did not show up. I've been sending him money every single day, and he's like,
same as me.
Okay, so
more than you.
Can you kindly remain muted? Kindly, please. Okay, thank you. Kamba Princess, continue.
Magda has all the evidence. Like today I did not send anything. Oh yeah, I sent him like $120 because he was going to buy alcohol. So
ndumleweshe ndiye akuja akuclaim.
Can I just stop?
By the way, Son K, Ariane amenitumia all the evidence.
Excuse me, Your Honor. This is a court of law, Carol M. You need to respect the court.
And Mwiti, I will suggest you shut the fuck up.
No, I'm telling you, you need to continue, or you drop, or you go down. We hear Kamba Princess, then you come up when it's your turn.
Okay, so
go down. You shit.
I am security here. I am the security of the court.
Security. You gonna be security.
Yes,
you gonna be
need to
securing
keep
your own
quiet until
fucking
you need to know
mouth.
what I'm taking is.
Mukidrop my co-wife hata mimi na drop. Mukule kesi na Kamba Princess.
Kwenda huko. Mwiti, who the fuck are you in this category anyway?
Pia usitulete, usinilete. Sikutuma mwende mkadeti mmoja. Wewe nyamaza. Wewe unaona what is this? What is this? This is a court of law.
I'm going to pick a poll. Now all the judges, I think we've got
everywhere.
Okay. Let me just
I'm trying to explain.
No, wait a minute. Before you continue, just give me 1 minute. I need to make another judge a moderator because it will make our work easier here. So my question is, the members of the jury, should we put a poll on whether to remove one of the co-wives from the guest until the other one finishes? Okay. Should
then
we
remove the two of us and leave one and bring the one at a time?
I think that's a good idea.
You know me, I don't even need to be this court. Mimi nitakuwa kwa Papstar. Anybody that wanna come and listen to the whole truth.
No, don't drop them, Your Honor. Don't drop them.
You drop us, kesi inaisha.
Lady Jacqueline,
Don't drop them.
kesi inaisha. Kwani ni kesho?
Shut the hell up.
Mimi nitakuwa kwa Papstar saa hizi tuna open line.
Excuse me, Carol Star, keep quiet in court. The court is in session.
Carol, relax, tafadhali. The court is in session.
Relax,
nyamaza, acha nitende na mtaratara.
Acha ukweli. Okay, Kamba Princess, take the mic. I apologize for the interruption.
So, Papstar told me that I'm the main girlfriend. He's just exploiting the two money. And he's coming to live with me. He sent me, I was sent an email from the probation officer from Kansas that Papstar needs to come and live with me. And she called me.
I'm going to countersue that because I did that in May 2025.
Can I explain myself?
The probation officer, I sent that before I got the job for me. Not drag with that.
Mr. Nkei, correct?
This is why we are in the court. Allow her to speak, then your turn will come. This is why this is a court. Can you respect this is a court, please? The court is in session.
I received the probation
So he's group calling all of them, guys. The gentleman is literally, it's terrible. This is terrible. Okay, continue, Kamba Princess.
I received a letter from the probation officer from Kansas, and I'll forward it to you that Papsa has decided to come and move in with me. So she called me 2 days ago, she called me and she asked me whether it's okay if I'm going to host Papsa, and I said it's okay. So he already started the process of moving to Seattle to my house so that we can live together. And he told me he's only exploiting money from Sonke and Carol M. Yesterday, he did not ask for food like he normally does every day. So I asked him where he got the food. He said he got it from Carol M. Na anaogopa hiyo food anaweza kuwa amemwekea sumu. He's so scared to eat the food. So 6 p.m. today, when I was going to the live of King Mash, he wanted me not to go. Him and Ariane. They didn't want me to come there because they knew that they had already talked to Sonke and Carol M. So they don't show up on the live so that he doesn't claim me. That's it. If you have questions.
Your Honor. So Kamba Princess, you have been buying food for this guy.
Every day I have the evidence for DoorDash. Every day I spend $60 on food, and I send him $600 every day for coins and some for his pocket money. So Magda has all the evidence.
Don K.
Magda has all.
Yeah, he can come back. Yes.
Yeah, Magda has all the transactions for the last 3 weeks. I've spent more than.
Wewe tuambie hizi vitu haraka.
Yeah, continue.
Your Honor, can we drop Geoffrey? I think he's in a mental situation, Your Honor, that he's not able to join. He's mentally sick right now.
Even you sick.
Okay, so just
ingia kotini uanze kunyang'anya na microphone, tunakuanga na mutaratara huko
na akutombe.
Atukutambui.
Wewe takataka umbwa hii ngutombe. Umbwa wewe stupid ass nigga.
So nikamwambia I'm not gonna come to Kansas until you open your live and claim me as your woman, the only woman, and I'm not gonna share with Sonke or Carol M. So he said he's gonna do that. So throughout the day, I did not see Sonke and Carol M come to the live. So he said that they are scared to come here because we are the main chick. So I didn't know that he went to tell them that I told him to block them. So I have nudes of 7 ladies from TikTok.
Please send. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Your Honor.
It's under control.
Yeah, she says that she has nudes for the court clerk. I can receive those evidences. Yeah, I can share the number to her so that she can share with me whatever she's saying and all the evidences so that I can explain to court.
Thank you. You can do that.
My ex-husband, we have a joint account. He happened to see the transactions and he asked me, who is Shakil Masharia? I told him it's just a friend. So he decided that he's gonna sue Papstar for exploiting his finances unknowingly. He has my credit card that he normally uses. I gave him card details. So every time he needs coins for TikTok, he buys $300 coins every single day. Anasema twende tukachafue TikTok. That's the word he normally use. Nitumie pesa tukachafue TikTok. So he's been exploiting money from me. I have Sonke's pussy. I have Kiki's video while she's using a dildo as well.
Sorry to interrupt, Kamba Princess. The 7 ladies you have their nudes. Do you mind mentioning before this court the names? And
I'm sorry, I will not mention, but he told me one of the videos is for Kiki and the other Sonke is exposed. Like she has a photo of Sonke exposed, like full body. Kama amejipanua. Yes.
Court, because we have to really get to the root of everything.
So nyinyi lesbian ni LGBTQ.
Yeah, we're going to need
sorry
the
for interruption, Your Honor. I think Geoffrey is not in the mental state to be in this court. He's mentally unstable. Your Honor, if you could just listen to me and drop him. He's not normal at this moment. He's fighting his own demons in Germany.
Mwiti, you are not normal either. So if he's dropping, you should be next.
No, anasema Geoffrey drop you. You support Mwiti. Nini Steve? Uko pande ya Mwiti, nigga. Thank you, Mwiti.
Mapenzi kilio.
Sasa wewe uko pande gani, motherfucker?
Uncle Steve unatetea babes wako.
So yes,
wow, you bitch.
We're in court, man.
Lady Jacqueline.
Yes, you can continue. Yes, you can continue, Kamba Princess. Your Honor.
Papsa has been calling
just a minute, Kamba Queen. So, Lady Jacqueline, I'm the one who dropped Geoffrey because we're in court and we don't take these things lightly. We don't care how many followers or what traction you will bring, but the truth has to be told. So, if Geoffrey gets in the court, he has to behave in a way that this court is wants it to be the way we conduct things. Nobody is special.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Geoffrey, comedian, if you're gonna come up and mute, then we will let you back up. For now, I request that you remain in the comments, kindly. Thank you. Kamba Princess, I believe it's your turn. Take the mic.
He's just say that he's going to gang against me with Sonke and Carol M, and I'm sure they're on a video call right now. They're talking. It's a group call. They're talking right now. So he just said that they'll make sure that they gang against me.
Madam Prosecutor, I think you are a bit. I know.
I apologize. Can you bring up Geoffrey? Let him say his side. You know.
No. He's not involved in this case at all. He's not involved in the case.
He's not involved. Is that
Okay.
Okay, drop yourself kindly.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you for Madam Prosecutor. The court is on fire, but we are going to handle it. Yeah. Madam Prosecutor and the judge, the judiciary. I think what we are seeing in this court is a witness who is there's intimidation here, because when we left the other premises, the three wives seemed to be in cooperation, you know. But reaching here, there are some formation whereby we are supposed to conquer and counter what she says. Yeah. So your office is going to do a lot more work in protecting the witness who is speaking right now, the plaintiff rather. And then we are going to listen to her. What exactly is the complaint here? You understand? Because there was a bit of interruptions. We are getting this, the dildos, the Kiki. I want Kiki. I really want the Kiki specification. Which Kiki are we talking about? Because we have Kiki.
He mentioned it's Kiki who lives in Canada. I don't know which Kiki is the one. I don't know. She lives in
the office rings a bell.
The Kiki who lives in Canada. No, the Kiki I know lives in America. She doesn't live in Canada. Yeah.
I think it's Kiki Clifton, Your Honor.
It's Kiki Clifton.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the complaint is
Madam Prosecutor. Yeah, but Kamba Princess, just a minute. The judiciary, Senior Counsel Prince Mwiti, Judge Rafmuli rather, and Madam Prosecutor and Junior Prosecutor, and everyone who is here. What do you think about we need evidence now, because it is a bit sensitive. I don't know where is the evidence submission.
Your Honor, so usually I know that the court clerk is up to no good at all, and he's trying to, smuggle some pieces of evidence out of court. I know that is a bit of an accusation from me to him, but I do feel we need to follow the due processes of this court where evidence is sent to our court number of 0701-900-990, so that evidence is protected. It does not go anywhere beyond that number. I can assure you, Your Honor, that there is absolutely no day any pieces of evidence has ever been sent to that number and it has gone somewhere else. Never, ever. So, so that's what I feel should happen. I don't know what the court clerk says on this, but I was quite surprised when he suggested that he should receive evidence. Like, you're a court clerk, for Christ's sake. So stay in your job. And anyway.
Also, there are some evidence, there's some pieces of evidence that are missing, whereby the Kamba Princess they're trying to engage her in a call, yeah? So I want it to be quick. If we can get the screenshots of the transactions, because we operate with evidence, yeah?
So Kamba Princess, are you there? Kamba Princess?
Yeah, I think she's gathering some of those evidences.
Your Honor, they're trying to arm twist her. They're trying to arm twist her. That's what they're trying to do.
I can tell that too. But what I would like in court is that any evidence should be forwarded to the Office of Prosecution, and that is the number given by Lady Jacqueline only, because we do protect our own. Yeah.
Absolutely.
They want to get into a situation whereby you get evidence and then the next day will be all over in Telegram. We are not here to sabotage or to tarnish anybody's name, but just to find a permanent solution and justice only. Thank you, very important.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay, so Kamba Princess, could you kindly send evidence to me, please, now?
Yeah, and we are also requesting Kamba Princess that the evidence should not be sent anywhere else, only Lady Jacqueline, so we can be able to, regulate it, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely.
Kamba Princess, please unmute.
And Your Honor, there is a campaign outside court to bring Geoffrey Comedian up, but according to the court clerk, he's not in the right state of mind to sit in court. So I think for now,
had any say in our court when we say Kadama should be brought up here. We can manage him, we can control him, so it should be up, no problem.
Yes, and Your Honor, I think you have to keep his his mic muted, please.
Yes, I can do that. Thank you, very important.
Okay, yeah, Kama Princess, chukua mic.
Okay, thank you so much.
Sawa, Geoffrey. Thank you. Welcome. Yeah, Kama Princess, ongea.
So right now they're on a video call. They want to gang against me. Papster, Carol M, and Sonke, because I have so much evidence and very sensitive information, which I don't think I should expose right now.
Okay, so can you tell us the nature of the information? Because the judge needs something to work with. So you can send me like a piece of the evidence. You can crop out areas that you think are sensitive. We just want to confirm that what you're saying is the truth. You understand?
Okay.
So just do whatever you need to do. Show one piece of evidence that you've sent this gentleman money. Show another piece of evidence that he has sent you sensitive images of women. That is all you need to do. You don't have to make it explicit. You can crop out the explicit part and just show it as evidence for this court.
Okay. So
thank you.
what's the number again?
Okay, so let me put it for you on a sticker real quick, and then you just send it, and then that's it.
Kamba Princess, as Madam Prosecutor. Okay, Judge Rafmuli.
Chief Justice, as they are doing that, please know that we don't work with things that have been, we call it like cropping, or even something. You do not alter with any evidence. The evidences should be sent the way it is, untampered, because we trust the Office of Prosecution, and you can put it clear so that when we give you chance to explain to the court, you'll have a clear picture of what is being talked about. Thank you. Madam, Senior Judge 2, back to you.
Mimi chache ama.
Geoffrey, you want to say something quickly as Madam Prosecutor and the plaintiff are
asante, wacha niongee kidogo. Mwezi nifungie. Guys, kama mtu ameleta na mafaili zake na kutetea watu, lazima nitetea haki. Kambagari ako na right, but Songe ndiye anawasumbua hapa. Songe ndiye anaharibu kila kona, trust me.
My witness is Don K. Don K was there on.
Songe sio Don K.
I'm saying Don is my witness.
Yeah, sasa hebu ni wacha
Don K is my witness.
Hebu ni test bwana complain hapo ni mwongeleo.
Your Honor, I would like to declare my intent in this court.
Please proceed.
Yeah, I'm a viable witness in this matter, and if it's okay with you, I would like to step forth with my oath before I declare my intent in this court.
Yeah.
Geoffrey, Jamaza, we are listening to something. Hello.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Compensation, for showing me love. I can see all the gifters. I appreciate that. Thank you, Apio, who have seen you. Madam Prosecutor, if your office still needs time, I will ask that you still stay. Who is that with the echo? Somebody mute. If your office still needs time with the evidence submission, because we understand it was a weekend and we understand you were not supposed to be on duty, yeah? All of us, yeah? But if your office needs time, I will ask that you stay still attentive and muted.
Yes.
And when you come back, thank you, 2025. And when you come back, Madam Prosecutor, because of the sensitive images that are going to be shared to you, I will love that you use a very nice English to describe what you have just seen, yeah?
Okay.
So that we can all have a picture of it, but not exposing it, yeah?
Absolutely.
And then you are going to do, for today, I'm going to give you a motherly job because there is a sensitive plaintiff here. We can see she's worried about what is going on outside the court, yeah? She's worried about the ganging, she's worried about everything. So I need her to understand she's a victim of exploitation. You are in a family court, and we are going to take it as a civil suit until we see criminal traces on it. Then we can decide later within the suit. But you just have to relax. Tell us, we know you are a victim of money exploitation, probably some own personal mistakes, and maybe some people just on TikTok will use this opportunity to bully you. It's something you've not gone through, but we are all here. We are all here. You understand? Once it has reached TikTok court, it is justice and nothing else. So, Madam Prosecutor, you're going to be making her comfortable. By your own lead, can we have Don Case taking the mic? Or anybody wants to say something?
Your Honor, allow me to remind the plaintiff that I still haven't received any pieces of evidence at all. Kamba Princess, can you confirm that you've sent evidence to my WhatsApp?
Magda said she'd forward. She has all. Magda.
She has everything?
Yes, she has. I forwarded everything to her.
Okay. All right.
And then,
so, Madam Prosecutor.
Do you want me? I don't know if let me mute.
Accuse, Madam Magda, just send to the number that you've got. I'm going to remove my number from the screen now. Okay, just send it to the number that you've got, please.
She has all the transactions and 2 tickets that I bought worth 3,000. I cancelled all of them and I did not get a refund.
Oh my God. Okay, Madam Prosecutor, could you send that information to me, please?
Ticket and all the transactions that I made. For the last 3 weeks, I've spent like $16,000 on him.
Oh, wow.
And again, I think Kamba Queen, I think it would be very nice or very appropriate for you to send the notes that you are.
I already sent to Magda.
To Lady Jacqueline directly. please.
Yeah, Kamba Princess, the reason why you need to send it
Yeah,
directly to Madam.
we don't want it to leak. We want if it leaks, then to be only Magda and Lady Jacqueline. We don't want anything to exchange hands. For now, we would only trust Madam Prosecutor with that information. Thank you. Because I believe that last time Magda was Pap's lawyer.
Absolutely. So there is conflict of interest here. I think that's why it's taking a while to send anything across. So, Princess, what do you think? Would you rather send them to me, please? Is that possible?
And also, okay, she's not in court. Kamba Princess, are you in court, please? Because I want to notify you that what is going to happen after here, as you already know, there is a gang being formed, yeah? What is going to happen after here is cyberbullying that is going to follow. Do you understand? And the judiciary is still the same place where we would, when we are outside there in our home clothes, we would still stand with the truth that we saw in court. So it is in your best interest to trust this court and not any other person. Kamba Princess, where?
To get the evidence. That's why I'm getting
this number to the number of
the evidence.
We are going
Can
to
I get on the camera and get the evidence?
Yeah,
but we ask that you don't drop them.
Thank you so much, Francisco. Madam Prosecutor, pay attention.
Yeah, thank you so much. Our gifters, God bless you. Frankenstein, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. We give her time, Madam Prosecutor.
We're giving her time, my fellow judge, Cinderella. I don't see Sonke Kores and what's her name? Carol. Where are they at?
They are on a call with Pastor. They have they're on a call, three of them: Pastor, Carol, and Sonke.
Perfect. We know how to handle the case. Go ahead. Take it over.
Judge Rafmuli, let us approach the bench. Let us now have this section of Kusengenya Kidogo. Judge Rafmuli, I think what I've observed here with my diploma in criminal intelligence is Sonke is a character that works like Idi Amin. She is not interested in slandering Papster or getting any justice, even the money she's claiming she has given him. Me, I know Sonke very well. We have dealt with her here as a hardcore criminal until she was rehabilitated in the prisons and she came out, yeah? But I know the tactics of Sonke is to round up, agonge hapa, and then atabaki na mwanaume. That is Sonke for you. Trust you me that this court, this girl will need our witness, our protection on this app. Because it is going to be cyberbullying one after the other. Thank you for that. Thank you, Frankenstein. So we need to know how we are going to deal with it after and here. That is very important. So, Madam Prosecutor, what do you think? Tusengenye kidogo, we are allowed to.
Okay. So I think it will get to a point where the only place they'll want to come will be the court. What I think Kamba Princess needs to do is to stand her ground 100% and not be, afraid of the duo or the trio. Saizi, I think she's a bit worried because, oh my God, these women are talking about me with our mpoa. They're ganging up against me. She's afraid. She doesn't know what's going to happen.
Exactly. I sent it to your WhatsApp.
Okay, thank you.
We don't want to do that. So
yes, go ahead. And as you are doing that, I think we needed you to administer the oath to Don King.
Yeah, Your Honor, once again, I would like to step forth with my declaration of intent in this court, yeah?
Yes, go ahead.
I am a viable witness in this matter, and the evidence that I hold is not older than 6 hours ago, and I would like to take my oath.
Absolutely.
Yes,
Absolutely. Give me a minute, please. Give me a minute, please. Thank you. So I do have, first of all, before, I think there's someone with an echo. Don't care if you can mute, please. Okay. So I do have, Your Honor, I do have a lot of evidence, some of it very sensitive. And I do believe that, oh my God, Your Honor, this is a lot of information, a lot of transactions, money moving across to this gentleman. Oh my God. Okay. So Your Honor, allow me to I will explain details of each and every piece of information. I've got 20 items already sent to my WhatsApp. And I'm just at 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 items in my WhatsApp. I'm still waiting for more items, pieces of evidence. Allow me to swear Mr. Donkey to court. I'm getting constant calls from Geoffrey comedian, so allow me to bring him up and then mute him so that he does not interrupt court. Otherwise, I'll not be able to proceed. He's calling me, constantly. Okay, now, Mr. Donkey, can you unmute and please take oath before this court? So, are you Christian or Muslim?
I'm Christian.
You're Christian. So will you say this after me, please? I Donkey, I, Mr. Donkey.
I, Mr. Donkey.
I do solemnly swear.
I do solemnly swear.
That everything I will say before this court.
That everything I'll say before this court.
Will be the truth.
Will be the truth.
And nothing but the truth. So help me God.
And nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Thank you. Thank you. So, Your Honor, what is the way forward? Do you want him to go straight to the witness box? Okay. Okay, so Donkey, you can take the mic now.
Your Honor, the evidence that I bear before this court is not older than 6 hours ago, because I happened to share the same space with the man in question, who happens to be Pop Star. Well, in the case versus Pop Star, in the case of Pop Star versus the one Kamba Princess and Carol Star and Sonkei, I happened to be a witness in this matter about 6 hours ago, where I was a lucky person to be in the same space with Mr. Pop Star and Kamba Princess on a live that I cannot exactly quote the time that it happened, but it's approximately 6 hours ago. And I witnessed his declaration of love and affirmation publicly towards Miss Kamba Princess. He went ahead and declared her as his girlfriend, his wife and his queen, before my own eyes and before 33 people that happened to be on his life. So it comes as a surprise to me when I come to court and there's claims of him having other people on the side that are not Kamba Princess. Because I publicly witnessed him say he is in love and he's publicly declaring her as his queen. Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah, thank you so much for that submission. Madam Prosecutor, allow me to be shy for a moment. I want to appreciate Frankenstein once again. Thank you for that. It indeed feels good to be appreciated, and God bless you. Madam Prosecutor, with
Yes,
what
Your
is
Honor.
going on, with what Mr. Donke has just submitted, I feel that I don't want to comment on it until you give us a description of the evidence you have, with a very sweet...
Please, wacha tu niongee.
Alright,
Brother,
before that-
amenimute, siwezi comment. Watu wa TikTok, siwezi comment anything, siwezi fanya anything, na lazima nipigie Lady Jacqueline. Brother, usini mute. Wacha kukue na hiyo roho ya kipepo. Namtaendelea ikosi nikiwa. Na kupigia because ya filmu amenifanyia hivyo.
Okay. Nimeshakuwa mute.
Ananiblock.
Nimeshakuwa mute. I've unmuted you. Just mute sasa.
Alafu wote nitawaambia story ya huyu Don K. Kila amefanyia Daisy, amefanyia watu wengine, niko hapa. Pamba tu pamba. Huyu ndiye ameangaisha wa stand up TV. Si karibu alinyang'anya Steve hiyo siku Steve alikuja. Si ndio huyu? Niko na mambo.
Oh my God.
Kumanini. Sio siku nikutandika kofi tukienda kwa hiyo party yangu. Unasikilia kila mtu kila kona unataka kueleza. Utatuletea wa Kenya. Huyu ni Mu-Uganda mwizi. Hata juzi wamekuja hapo nikiwa kwa Daisy.
Tunaacha witnesses wanakuwa intimidated in court. Why?
Okay, Your Honor.
Why are the witnesses being intimidated?
Oh my God.
Okay.
Mmekuja na huyo Muamerika. Huyo Muamerika akatomba yule mkisi mwingine. Wewe ukaenda pesa ya Daisy. Nikawatibia mkatoka asubuhi. Tukienda hiyo party ya Daisy, unaanza kuleta wa Uganda hapo kando. Ukaanza kusika Meet the One pia.
Your Honor,
ni malaya mkubwa guys, asiwadanganye.
Your Honor, I question the relevancy of that statement in this court.
Kweli uliza Steve kitu huyu chali alinifanyia.
Okay, Your Honor.
Niliwakimbisha huko nikawapiga.
What is the relevance though? Relevance?
I'm questioning the relevance of this information to this court
so
of law.
He has now muted, so we hope to continue. I really do apologize about that, Mr. Donkey. I don't think you deserve that kind of treatment. Like, you're a free human being. You can, mingle if you want with fellow adults. And I think this is just a case of jealousy. But let's just focus. Thank you. Aya, Donkey, do you want to continue? Your Honor, what do you want to say to Donkey? I think you are still talking.
We were. I apologize for not protecting you, Mr. Donkey, but I'm also human, and it was hilarious. Anyway, I will not comment further on that. Madam Prosecutor, we were waiting for you to give us the description of the evidence, so we can all have a picture. Pay attention, court, because you need to draw in your mind.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. So I do have. I still have not received the images. However, I've got all the transactions. Okay. I also have the air tickets, and I'll go through each piece of evidence.
Sorry, I have I sent for the last couple of days $2,000, which I need to forward to you.
Yeah. Send it to me, please. Send it to me or
okay, wacha nikutumie. Huyu akikuja kwa Daisy,
tuma hizo.
Walikuwa ananiambia nisingiange live, but nawapiga nikiwa mlevi chini ya maji. Wacha nikutumie evidence. Alafu kireta kila kitu na watumie evidence.
Unajifanya we ni mlevi alafu unawapiga kiplani. Okay, sawa, tumesikia. I hope, Your Honor, you had that admission as well. Just keep it in record. Thank you. All right. So right now I'm going to go through the evidence that I've got. I will open my camera, if you allow me, Your Honor, and I will provide this information to this court. Okay. Your Honor, umepata mpoa nini? Like, wow. Your Honor, we are jealous.
Sasa nikiwa na wao wananiambia nisiwapige picha nisingie live. Kila saa nikiingia nao ati usingie live tutaanikwa.
Okay.
Na kazi ni kutombana usiku na mchana.
Okay, so Your Honor, I will, I'm so sorry, I'll pretend like I did not hear that because I need to focus. All right, so first, okay, thank you, Geoffrey, you can now mute, thank you. So Your Honor, before you right now is an air ticket. I'll tell you the details of it. It is a total of $1,741 US dollars, Alaska Airlines, and it is an air ticket for the departure is from Seattle, So this is a young lady whose mom and dad sent to America to go leave home to change home. But instead, she is busy sending young boys money. So this and buying tickets that she does not need. So $1,700 that was used to buy an air ticket from Seattle. She was to leave on the 14th of November and arrive Kansas City on the 14th of November, the same day. $1,700, Your Honor. That's the first piece of evidence that I've just told you about. Now, another one is of her sending money to the gentleman, a lot of money, $80, $100,
na mzungu mwenye alimpea makaratasi jamani.
$90, $50. Your Honor, it's a sea of transactions. Like this girl is
I
have most transactions, like 3 more.
Okay, so yes, okay. Okay, so Your Honor, do not drop him, just mute him. I'll say very able court clerks and judges. Okay, so we have another $50 going to the same gentleman, $100, another $100, $30, $50. Now it's a lot of transactions, Your Honor. And then now this is a conversation between herself and the said gentleman. Now that you can see over there, Your Honor, that's the picture of Papster. So they are communicating with this lady. Now she says, I know, okay. So the lady goes, he goes and says, I know Sonke can lie. And then he goes again and says, Sonke can lie. And then the lady here, Kamba Princess, tells him, call me tomorrow. I'm in bed now, about to sleep. And then he says, send me your number, love. And then he says to her, come sleep on my live. And then the girl sends the number across. And then the gentleman says, I got you. And then the girl says, okay, love. Okay. Now that's another piece of evidence. I mean, what's the relevance of that evidence? May I ask, Kamba Princess, what's the relevance?
It's how we met, but I don't think that's very.
Okay, all right. Okay, so left home to change home, goes on and talks to Papster.
Alafu Jackie, munaweza niruhusu niongee tu ile ukweli.
Yeah, utaongea dakika moja. Wacha niende through.
Munipe tu nafasi alafu muniruhusu comment.
Can I get the number again, please, so I forward more information?
Yes.
Could you read it to me?
Yeah, let me read it to you. +254.
Hold on a second.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready. +254.
+254 701.
Yes.
900.
Okay.
And then 990.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Okay. So Your Honor, as I was okay, Geoffrey, take the mic 1 minute and then I continue.
Akinipeni tu niongee sio 1 minute. 5 minutes.
5 minutes is too much, Geoffrey.
Nataka kuelezea story vile iko.
Okay.
Mimi ndio niliwaleta online. Akina Don, akina nini? Don alikuwa chaliwa Daisy. Watu wakaanza kumtongoza wa Uganda. Alafu na yeye ni mjanja, anajua kutumika hawa wasichana, trust me. Huyu chalia anaweza wachezea mpaka wakule mpaka wamalize. Sasa mimi nikamwambia Daisy, huyu chali wacha tumpime kwa hii birthday yako. Daisy akachukua pesa yake. Tukaenda party day. Tukaenda mbali kabisa. Daisy aka drive. Nikamwambia una drive na wewe ni party day gari. Seriously. Uchari akatumika akiwalea ali West Daisy. Trust me. Daisy alikuwa anampenda but uchari ampendi. It's okay, wacha acheke but yuni muyuga na mukora, trust me. Ndio maana amemea Kiara. anakuja kwa Daisy analala ati because ya Mboro. Watu trust Mboro kila siku. Kuna siku watu wanataka maisha yao. Unaona Kampali amekutoroka because ya ujinga zako. Yaani kazi yako ni kudanganya watu. Hata mzungu wake alimuacha mwenye alimpea makaratasi. Naweza waletea mpaka picha ya mzungu wake. Because alimsumbua, huyu ni mtu wanasumbua. Akaenda kutongoza wa Uganda huko. Tukaenda kwa hiyo klabu ati amekana mademu wake guys. Hiyo Steve ametoka US, anataka kutumia Steve. Nikawagonga ngumi nikamwambia rudi ndani. Hapa hakuna mchezo. Huyu ni mtu anachoea hataki kitu kujua. Niliwagonga. Uliza hata Sofia. Huyu mwanaume ni hatari kwenye rango guys. Epukeni. Amefanya Daisy wetu. Saiye Daisy gari epukeni. Guys epukeni nawaambia. Moriferan. Isa mofa. Ametoboa hapa mabua. Siju ni yeye ama ni straight. Yani ako confused. Huyu ni gay. Torokeni. Uliza Steve kama siku mutandika bijikosi ya huyu. Niliruka na ngumi kaambia pak. Uliza Sofia. Kulikuwa kubaya. Guys musinichukia because ina sauti. Huyu mwanaume ni hatari. Daisy wanakaa karibu na Daisy 20 minutes. Daisy akaniambia haki na kufa.
Hi, Judge.
Hello, Steve Nice.
Wewe matako ya paka umboika sia nugu. Kuma wewe. Nikome. Kazi yako ni kutitia. Don't fucking mention me. I don't know you, bitch. Sawa. Leave me alone. I leave you. I don't talk to you about you. Kazi yako Steve. Move back. Fuck on. Move on. Like what the fuck? Kazi yako ni kunitaja. Mimi
anakuja hapa nyuma kunichungulia huko hivi.
Why you mentioning me? Mention your family. I don't know you. Usikuja hapa hivi kazi yako ni kumjaja. I don't fucking know you. Steve, Sivo who's here? Idiot. Bwagni. Nikome wewe. Fucking don't mention me. Guys, niulize chokora. Kwa nini kazi yako ni kunitaja? Don't you like have other things to talk about? Have I ever mentioned you? Wacha nikwambie, let me tell you how good I am. Gifta wako mwenye alikuja kugift kwa ile game. I'm known her since 2014. That's my best friend. Nilijua akikuja kugift. That's how good I am. Sawa. But Nikome, I swear to God, Judge, I'm asking, I want you to tell this guy to leave me the fuck alone. Do him, I do me. Never mention me, I never mention him. Is that too easy? Like, is that hard to task? Where kazi yako ni hapa? Steve, sijui, Doken, matakataka na hizo mani, koza.
Niwacha ni kuonyesha umbua hii, sasa ni kupuli.
Si unionyesha hiyo. Picha zenye tulikuwa na wewe.
Onyesha kuonyesha umbua hii.
Funguka. Kazi yako wewe ni
umbua hii matako wewe.
What the fuck? Hebu nikuulize Judge.
Si wewe ndio mwingine.
Ni nani mtu mzima anachukua mwanaume mwingine
anataka
kwa live, mtu amelala alafu unachukulia video. Who does that?
Wacha. You need it.
Mweke big screen.
Wacha guys.
Matako hii.
Hapa tulikuwa ni unanipembeleza.
Sasa hii ni nini?
That's a normal
bitch. What the fuck we were?
Unaniangalia unaona kisenene kumanina. Wacha nikupuli mpaka ukufe. Angalia hapa vile unashika wanawake. Nikakupiga.
Oh, ulikula sikia vibaya.
Alafu angalia. Angalia hapa.
Sipendi baro.
Wivu nitakupiga mpaka ukufe wewe unijui. Unanisikia?
Anajaribu
kubuli.
Unaweza buli nani wewe Geoffrey?
Guys, wacha niwaambie. Maana mimi uzuri wangu hata wewe nikitoa picha zenye ulikuwa unaweka kwa kitanda.
Unaona machali hapa, unaona madem. Unaona machali hapa mama dem.
Don't mimi za waua.
Geoffrey, let me tell you. Manze, the first step of healing is moving forward. Bro, mimi I don't give a fuck about you. I blocked you the same day. I swear to my kids' life, sitawahi kuunblock picha tulipigwa pamoja group. Oneshana fuck you bitches wewe enda ukasome huko anda kizungu hauna Kijerumani hauna Kiswahili hauna
tumesambana
Kikisi ni shida. Wewe ni nini? Enda ukafundishwe na chicha.
Unataka kutoka mtu chini ya maji never.
Who the fuck are you? You think you can bully me? You cannot bully me. Bro, mimi nazalisha wewe na familia yenu yote. For one, my paycheck moja inaeka familia yako.
Tulipambana hata siku ni wakapita bati nimekuchaka na hiyo mboro yako ya misipa.
Ebu angalia woka na manto mboro ya mtu. Listen to yourself.
Nimekuacha. Ilikuuma because nilienda kuchukua mtu Kenya. Ilikuuma.
You know what?
Ukakuta chama ni ati kunipembeleza. Ilikuuma kuleta mwanaume Kenya. Ilikuuma.
My IQ is better. So go ahead.
Akaniambia, "Oi Geoffrey, umefanya Steve mbaya."
Anicharaze for life.
Hata mkikunywa hapo si nyinyi si magifta, nyinyi wapokezi. Nyinyi watu mnatafuta gifters. Magda atagombana atumiwe gift. Nyinyi msinilete.
Okay. All right. Yes, we can proceed, Your Honor. We can proceed.
Peke yake ndio mute. Jacqueline, wacha niongee hiyo peke yake.
Yeah, ongea kutoka haraka alafu tuendelee.
Wakakaa meeting.
Okay.
Juu ya mimi. Hiyo kitu ananiambia saa hii. Wakaenda wakakaa, unaona huyu gifta wangu mwenye mnaona huyo Chepo. Bwana yake ni best ya Steve. Wakaenda wakakaa watu watatu. Wala hivi dedi Jacqueline mimi ni mchanja. Alafu Steve akaenda akamwambia mimi napenda Geoffrey nini bati ule Chepo huyu sio mtu anakupenda. Wewe sikiliza, ina shida, sio shoga na alikuja hapa tu akaana
shoga yako kana shoga yako
okay, so Your Honor, I think the court clerk needs to be spoken to.
No, Jacqueline, wacha tu niongee koti leo, wacha tu.
No, I'm talking about Mwiti. Thank you.
Mwiti we nyamaza because we ni unapokea.
A gentleman calling other men BITCH, that is a huge gator. Like my gator is just going up.
Thank you.
Like you cannot call another man BITCH if you are not seeing them in the feminine form. So never mind. Let me just be quiet.
This too much.
Anyway,
watu mtoka Amerika yote halafu Let me tell you, Judge. Let me tell you, Geoffrey. Can I tell you one thing? Let me tell you, Marina Koseanga, you don't protect your people. You don't protect watu wanaweza kuheshimu. Huyo gifta wako, your biggest gifter, Chemu. Let me tell you, first of all, let me break the news. Hiyo si jina yake. I've known her since 2014. You did not even protect her. Amecharazwa, ametukana na mama yake sijui nini kwa comments za nini yako amenitumia. amecharazwa na watu kwa wewe umepost video akakuja akacomment, amecharazwa kwa nini yako, but you never said anything, you never defended him. And guess what is not right? Huyo ni best yangu mimi, hata wacha nikwambie hata kama juzi nilijua hata kama mlikuwa best yangu for life, swear to God. But Steve haina shida, but wacha nikuulize, juzi mkiwa na yeye kwa nilijua aje kama si protect? Ndio nasema, lakini nakwambia unajua watu wako like she's okay, she's a good person. Control watu online wengi anaweza, she's a good person, anapenda kugive na kuspoil watu, but guess what, alikuspoil. Hold on, nitolee filter. Geoffrey, wacha, guess what happened? Alikugive mali, ulikuwa boxman, si ndio? Alikuwa MVP wako. Hiyo siku mlikuwa na bwana yake, picha yako moja alitroliwa. Watu na masudo wamemwambia atitoa mamako, wewe mkale kazi yako, sijui toa mamako huko anateseka. Bro, you should have been there to protect her because he's your fucking gifter. Huyu dem hadi anampigia anasema, Steve nimetoka TikTok. Nikamwambia it happens, akaniambia no. Hadi my husband is like, wazazi wao wanaishi US. Ametrolio na wazazi ati wanateseka sijui uko hivyo Kalenjin. Wazazi wao wanaishi Seattle. I've known the parents, I know them. You gotta protect your people. Wacha nikuulize, kwa nini nakutrolingi? Sisi mlikuwa na bwana yake, si ndio? Is my friend. Exactly. But kwa nini wewe ukiona kabisa mimi siwezi control watu 200,000 watu 2,000 never. But you can say something. Unaweza sema kitu inaweza mprotect. Unaweza sema hadi ukiona comment kama hiyo unazidelete. You know what I mean? Like you control. Unaweza
prosecutor.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, Judge Gakumuli, please. Senior Judge Gakumuli, please help me here.
Yeah. Let's go.
I don't see this. If it's okay.
Do we move back to the main case of the Paul? Fanyani Paul haraka.
Steve, it's okay. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm so sorry. It's okay. What am I gonna come and
I need the prosecutor to be up there too.
Hii usinilete wewe broki umbu. Maybe. Steve, I'm so sorry, broki asinilete ujinga.
Okay, Your Honor, I think Queen of Seattle was saying something. I don't know if she wants to say. Okay.
Oh yeah, okay, no problem.
Okay, Magda Harris, can you bring Joy back on camera?
Bring who back?
Madam Joy, I think she was saying something.
Na Lady J. Kama MVP.
Nani?
Amesema muaddress kama MVP ama rich aunt.
Oh yeah, rich auntie, Queen of Seattle. Hi. Yeah. We were just saying hello and then we let you go.
Thank you.
Hi, Rich Auntie. Nice to see you, Rich Auntie. We'll now go back.
Are you calling me bro?
Wewe wacha nikwambia, unasema broki na ametuma.
No, we have said Rich Auntie. Nani amemwita broki?
Ametumia watu wake na marasta zake mbili kwa kichwa. Thank you.
Geoffrey ndiye amemwita broki.
Coffee cup na
Thank you. I don't talk to broki like Geoffrey.
Broki amekuwa kazi ya nasi ngomu siku moja atainua msosa anguka
Geoffrey, you don't abuse the queen of Seattle.
Naomba natembea na coffee.
Unatembea na kipara na hata unatembea na kipara na
uzuri wangu niko na kipara yako iko katikati.
So thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, let's continue now. Let's continue. All right. So Geoffrey, can we continue the main case, please?
Nikiona na hao wanaume machinga
Yeah, Steve mwenyewe amechoka na wewe Geoffrey.
Atachoka bado kisi anakuwa
guta. Nyote moyoni nipendi baby.
Yes, Judge.
Mimi ni guku wako. Taka mapenzi ni
mimi sitaki mtu wa kuosa mawasoso wewe
Okay, that's enough, yes.
I beg your pardon to tell you that the prosecution and the judgment has not been fair. Steve Nice is interfering with evidence. Amenunua the
by the way, let me tell you guys.
Hajanunua jury. He has not. He cannot afford the jury.
Your Majesty, Your Honor,
jury. The jury has been paid.
Hold on, studio.
I'm a provisional landlord. Umenunua jury bana sasa tulia.
Your Honor,
hii ni nyumba ya nani mmeenda mkiwa wengi?
Unajua amenunua watu wa jury.
I'm gonna put this in record.
Yes, jury wamenunuliwa.
Skiza, wacha niwaambie. Your Honor, I'm gonna advise the court.
Wewe ulikuwa unanipenda.
Amjui, skiza, si wacha nifunguke.
Jury imenunuliwa. Mimi kama attorney.
Tuko na kinembe ya Komba Princess, Sonke na Kiki.
Hapo nimejitoa.
Tupatane kwa live yangu.
Hapo ziko. Guys, thank you.
Walai. Haki ya Mungu.
Niko na
mimi napenda wanaume wa evidence kama huyu
alafu ni AI.
I think you're missing on something here.
Wako
huyu naye simwachi leo
itakuwa kuku on ubape.
Okay, so can we continue now? Kindly, can we continue? Okay.
Bwana yangu America pilot wangu simwachi.
Okay. So we are continuing. We are continuing now. No. Steve Nice. Sorry, Steve Nice.
Madam Prosecutor.
Now, yes, very.
We are losing it completely.
We are losing it completely.
We are losing it.
Yeah, we are.
This taking is not okay.
This is not it. So we are going to ask Steve Nice to kindly step away from camera. We've had enough of you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. No. The court needs to find him. The court needs to find that young man. He's just abused me with the bitch slur. The court needs to find that young man.
Madam Prosecutor, this is I was
How much are you finding it?
One lion.
Can you come on big screen?
One lion right now. The court needs to find them. No. One lion.
Come on the big screen for a lion.
I'm not addressing you, the court. I was nimechomeka mkono nikasema bitch. I was not talking about you, so I have no idea what you're talking about. Angalia, do you see how nimechomeka?
This is Your Honor, this is an American pilot. He has just dropped 10 lions on another live a few hours ago. And I personally demand one lion as an apology.
I will.
Your Honor, I'm also requesting for a chance to speak up, just to get a clarification.
You will.
Okay. 24 hours.
So Your Honor, you can take the mic back. Thank you. Yes, continue.
Madam Prosecutor, it is unacceptable for any personnel who resides in America to come to our court and undermine even the presence of Judge Black Cinderella, Senior Judge Geoffrey. Prosecutors are here, the judiciary is here, and the language is very, 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 very bad, for lack of a better word. It's just bad, yeah? So I will award damages paid to Madam Prosecutor for the name calling that has just happened in front of this court right now. The individual, Steve Nice, before you are transferred to the maximum prison, kindly, with all the powers vested on me as Judge Black Cinderella, I'm finding you a lion for Madam Prosecutor. have been found a lion. We will ensure, Madam Junior Prosecutor, we understand these are your friends outside this court, but whether she's listening or not, Madam Junior Prosecutor, we will want the fine paid. Otherwise, we don't proceed with one court.
Magda Harris, are you listening? Magda Harris, are you listening? The judge is speaking.
Junior Prosecutor, Madam Magda, we do want the fine of 1 lion paid.
Magda, thank you so much.
The office of the prosecutor.
Ambia Steve rafiki yake mwenye. Chita Shindula, thank you so much. Best yake mwenye.
Sorry, Geoffrey. I think the judge is still.
Yes. Madam Prosecutor.
Pesa ameniekea wakiwa hapo na kwa hapo. Ameniekea pesa yote ya madirisha. Siwezi kuja kuomba online. Thank you.
Madam Prosecutor, we need to recover the lion. We need to recover the lion for the fine. Let it be paid. If not, Madam Junior Prosecutor will have a case to answer because she is right there.
Okay, Madam Prosecutor Magda Harris. Prosecutor Magda Harris, are you there?
Yes.
Now we still demand the lion from Mr. Steve Nice.
But Your Honor, I am not Steve Nice. Thank you.
You are the junior prosecutor of this court. You do not respect the court premises and what we stand for. Madam Magda Harris, you are the
time. Thank you.
I am not Steve Nice, and you are fining Steve Nice, so like I think you need to demand the fine from Steve Nice, not Magda Harris. It's not Magda Harris being fined, it's Steve Nice. There's a difference. My name states Magda Harris.
Madam Junior Prosecutor, I can see that we are going back and forth on something that is so obvious. You are the junior prosecutor to this court, and you are currently in the region where the offender is. You are the.
I am not a bailiff. I am a prosecutor. I am not a bailiff. I don't handle funds.
Senior Judge Staff Movie. Thank you so much for interesting.
Proceed. I think the dude by the name Steve Nice just given his excuses, say that he got burnt on his ends, and he uses the word BITCH. That we all understand that he uses that word really very much, but that is not an excuse. So the order still remains. He will pay the lion. Right now, let us proceed to the case at hand. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Shukuru mwenye ako kwanza huko Chaksendira, nimeshukuru, sitawapigia kelele tena. Naweza shukuru koti ni kitu ya kuheshimika. Watu wako na yeye hapo, kuna mmoja amechukua mwenye ameweka hiyo pesa. Ameniambia nitumii kwa Lions, amewekelea pesa Mofaya. Hiyo inaonyesha sielewi ni nani, but naelewa ni nani. Mimi najua ni nani hapo.
Okay, Geoffrey.
Broki hawana pesa. Hawa ni watu wamefungua filima za kocha wa shosho.
Okay, Your Honor. So can we kindly proceed? I don't know what direction you want us to take. I think Prosecutor Berry Black also wanted to say something. I don't know if we can give him the mic now.
Just a moment, Madam Prosecutor. We were allowed to have that well, it's obviously past 5 minutes break time because we are also doing something on the background, right? So that went well. But for now, there is no interruption because the other prosecutor who is present with us in court is a very serious man. From where he's seated, he does not tolerate nonsense. I'm going to ask judiciary that we are going to be very tough because there is a plaintiff sitting patiently. We cannot have other cases interfering. So we are going to be tough. We don't care who you are. We are not disrespecting you. But for this to go on, we have to be very strict with our rules. It's the TikTok High Court of Kenya. So with all due respect, Berry Black, senior prosecutor as well, please take the mic, and if you need a briefing, you can communicate with Madam Lady Jacqueline.
Thank you, Your Honor. I do appreciate it. Great, I've been here, and actually, I can't say that I need any briefing, but I just need a few clarifications. Now, number one, let me appreciate the presence of Judge Rafmuli, Judge Black Cinderella, Prosecutor Magda, Senior Prosecutor Lady J, and the rest of the bench. Now, there are things that we might have swept under the carpet, but these are things that needs to be looked into. And I'll touch on something that came from our Mr. Kadama, that's one Mr. Geoffrey. Mr. Geoffrey made some allegations which went directly to one of the panelists here by the name Don K. And this is something that probably needs to be looked into critically, because Mr. Geoffrey mentioned very, very clearly that there are people out there who are crying foul that they've been heartbroken multiple times by this gentleman called Don K. So by any chance, from where I'm seated, there should be a case of the people versus Don K. So we get to establish the root of Mr. Geoffrey's allegations.
Thank you so much. Let me respond to that, Berry Black. Because the case is Kamba Princess versus Papstar. It is also a case of romance scam, yeah? So we are going to admit Geoffrey's case with Don K, because Don K is now, you're now a wanted criminal, suspected criminal, sorry. So we are going to admit that in another sit down, maybe after this one. Yes, I want to finish with Kamba Princess. Kamba Princess had submitted evidence of transaction, and it is huge. I'm telling you, I used to think men, they are easiest kuwatoa pesa. Mimi nilikuwa nafikiri wanawake sisi tunakulanga wanaume pesa na tunajua. But wanaume huku nje wamejifunza kula wanawake pesa. It is huge.
Yeah, I'm headed there, Your Honor. I'm headed there. Yes, so that's just one of the highlights that I got. Then secondly, as I now trickle down to the main issue as to why, the main agenda as to why we are here, which is the case of, the people versus Mr. Papi or something, okay? So, Papstar. So, the second case, we really need to establish, because on multiple times, on multiple occasions, one Mr. Geoffrey has insinuated, and you can feel from the bitterness in his voice, that they've dated with one Mr. Steve Nice, who's also present here. Now, we also need to get a clarification whether Mr. Steve Nice is G-A-Y or if he's, because this is something that Mr. Kadama keeps complaining about this over and over again, but it has never come out clearly whether he's a Mrengo or not. So he also needs to tell us so that we get to know that, he's on the other side or on this other side. That's an area that also needs to be dug deeper into later on. Now, back to this issue of Kamba Princess, Papstar, and everyone else. I can see it's huge. I know there has been a scam. I thought probably we ended at that point. I'm being told that now there's more evidence coming in. But as you mentioned, while watu walikuwa nasengenya hapa kotini, let me use the exact words you used. You said, lazima tusengenye kidogo. I think the biggest victim here, the person who has suffered most in this whole thing, is one Madam Sonkei Kweres. And it's because of that desperation of trying to buy attention and love where she's not wanted. But that will be subject to scrutiny. I rest my case for now. Let's look into these two later on. But for now, let's focus on the main case where the people versus the Papstar is, being listened to. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, Madam Prosecutor, I want to make sure the victim, the plaintiff, is okay. Kamba Princess, just like you're okay. You are okay. Madam Prosecutor, this is your moment.
Yes.
Shine. Please, very nice English, as I like it. Please describe the evidence that you just
What I'm
sent.
going to do, Your Honor, thank you so much, Your Honor. What I'll do, because I still do not have the other piece of evidence that we require, but we have one. We have enough evidence for extortion. And Your Honor, let me just, first of all, before I present this before the court, I will actually go through the pictures with the court. Before I do that, allow me to...
We prefer you on big screen.
Yes, yes, I will. Yes, I will go on the big screen. Yeah. Before I do that, Your Honor, it is the evidence that I will be presenting here. It shows somebody's child, Your Honor. The lady before our court today, Kamba Princess. This is somebody's daughter. You know, this is also somebody's sister. You know, and the amount of extortion, Your Honor, it's just unbelievable. When you go through the images that this young lady has sent me, you wonder, could it be that this young man traveled to Vipingo at some point, Your Honor? Because the evidence actually presented before us, it is in the tens of thousands of US dollars. And I'm here thinking, whose daughter in their right minds would be sending up to $600 a day to a man they've never met? Your Honor, I'm suspecting a case of 600,000 Kenya shillings paid to a muganga in Vipingo. But I will hold my horses for now. I will present the evidence before this court. Okay, I'll go on the big screen, Your Honor. Okay, so this one.
See, our able Madam Prosecutor, let J. I think the plaintiff said clearly that the ex-husband or the current husband, if you listen to the submissions that were put forward by Kamba Queen, she's still married. It's only that she's using the word ex, and the ex is the one who is now suing Papstar for extorting money from his credit card, if I had it right. So as you present that, Madam, my fellow judge,
yes.
I cannot. Please, pen it down, please. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I will.
Madam Prosecutor, 1 minute.
Yes.
I don't want the court to be so serious. So wale watu wangu wanja, we can count the money. We want to count each and every coin. Madam Prosecutor, take over.
Okay. And I'm a bit concerned. I'm just curious. Please, sorry for interrupting. Is this Sandra up here? Or it's someone masquerading as
Sandra? Yes, it is Sandra.
Okay.
That is Sandra. She's a regular senior counsel in this court. Yes.
Right. That's not her account. That's not her account. That's why I was.
No, this is Sandra. This is Sandra.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, this is Sandra. Okay. Sandra, can you say hi? Sandra, hello? Hi, Sandra.
It's not Sandra, from what I'm gathering.
Okay. Sandra, hi?
Yes. It's not her. It's not her.
Oh, it's not her.
This is a masquerade. Yeah. This is someone masquerading
as Sandra. Okay.
Yeah. This is not Sandra.
All right. Okay.
I knew it. I know it's not. It's not Sandra.
Okay. All right. So she's done. All right. So, okay. So, Your Honor, I will now begin the presentation. So you can see it is so much. I don't know if you guys will capture the entire amount, but that is, if you can see, that is the name of the person receiving the money is Shakil Masharia. And the amounts are unbelievable. $150 US, 100, 20, 30, 25, $50 US, another 50, $300 US, $40 US, $50 US. Now, if you look at the dates, $50 US times 2, the ones below, are actually sent on the same day, alongside $300 on the same day, the 29th of October. And the same day, 29th of October, $40. So in a single day, that is 300 plus another 100. That's $440. That's a single day. So the amounts are unbelievable. The evidence is so shocking, Your Honor. But I'll go through them one by one. So
Madam Prosecutor, before you move to the next screen, which you have already, the previous screen, we have counted a total of $795. I just want to put that there. So we are continuing. It's very important to also get the calculation of the amount,
Absolutely. Now, this is another screen showing. Prince Muti, are you there? Is the court clerk around, or is he now murifying after finding out that, left home to change home is being whatever? Okay. So here again, you can take the calculations. You can do the calculations. I'll come with the next screen real quick. We got the next one there, Your Honor. That's another screen. Okay. Okay, so do the calculations as I keep going. Okay. I hope you're done. I'll bring the next screen. So be very quick to grabbing the figures, okay? Oh, that's yet another screen. Okay, that's yet another screen. And Daisy Ande, we can see your behavior outside of the court building. You'll be banned. Utaekwa korokoroni wewe usipochunga. Okay, so the next one. That's another screen. Again, more money.
Prosecutor, if you can explain to us the kind of the money being spent for what,
So these are all being sent to this gentleman.
Yeah, before I finish, I want also to recognize the presence of Daisy Ayande. I believe that she also has a very, 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 very severe case against Don K. They were spotted somewhere doing what we call duk or giji, and yes, thank you. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. So this is again more money being sent to the gentleman. So I'm gonna go to the next screen. Mind you, this is only what was captured on the screenshots. So the amounts are much higher than this, guys.
Okay, Madam Prosecutor, just so that it's
Madam
clear,
Prosecutor,
is Shakil Masharia the same as a Papster, or are these a different person?
Same person.
It's not as light as the comment section wants.
Shakil Masharia is Papster, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it's
we just needed to. We need to be clear to the public. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. So I hope you've taken. Okay, I'll bring the next screenshot. And then that one. That's another one.
Yes, so far is $3,861 for those who are keeping the book for the book for the records, please. And we also want to establish what kind of job does she do if she's in America and she can afford to send plus $1,000 a day. That is what we will also want my fellow judge to note down, please, because we also want to know the source of that income. Thank you.
Okay, Your Honor, I'll now go to the next screen real quick. Okay. That's another one, another screen. So it's an endless sea of transactions. It's unbelievable to watch, to read.
Madam Prosecutor, seeing the screenshots, because we are human, my blood is already boiled up.
I know.
And we keep on going deeper. No,
I know. This is.
Could we
this
also
is,
have the picture of the accused? If he's not willing to come to court, we need to display that as well.
Yeah. So can you come back, Princess? Can you send me a picture of him, please? Any picture that you have.
Okay, I will shortly.
Thank you. Because this needs to be taken to court, you know.
It's crazy. And those asking for dates, we can see this
Now-
was 5th of November, others were 3rd of November, you know, just the other day. This was like 2 weeks ago. Yes, just the other day. A week ago. As late as a week ago.
Yes. So this is.
This
So
is
I
crazy.
have something to explain.
Yes.
So that's Zelle. In a day, I would spend like 400 on Zelle, and Cash App, I spent like $300. So I used to use both. So
Okay.
you haven't, yeah.
All right. Okay. So I'll come back on the big screen. I think.
Yes, please come back to come big.
Okay, all right.
Come back to,
Senior Counsel Roach, you can come up and help in this if possible. Okay. So again, now that's another transaction that is now Zelle. I believe maybe this is now Cash App. That's another one. I hope those taking the counts can continue doing that. That's yet another screenshot. Okay. That's another one. It is a never-ending sea of money. Like literally, it's unbelievable. You know, it is unbelievable. It's shocking, guys. It's shocking. That's only the
Madam Prosecutor, I just have a question to Kamba Princess.
That's
I have
another
a
one.
quick
Yes.
question. Yes, since she's here. Kamba Princess, just the other day we were having an issue over the same gentleman, and Sonke was crying foul over money that she had sent. Then you went ahead to send all this, because that happened before you sent all this. So you went ahead to send
This
all this now.
this happened while Sonke was still sending money. So I didn't know that Sonke was still sending money.
Hey, this is crazy. Guys.
One more thing, Lady Jacqueline.
Yes.
I've sent you for DoorDash. I used to order DoorDash worth $60 every day for his food. I've sent you screenshots.
Okay, thank you. So this is yet another one. I'm just gonna go. That's number 4.
Madam, before you go ahead,
Yes.
I want this also to note down that, especially on the sitting of the presiding fellow judge, Cinderella, note it down that TikTok Kenya, the chief magistrate, the chief justice Ralph Muli, at the time of that money being sent, was homeless. The chief justice from the other side, from Uganda, was sleeping the floor, and our able prosecutor was selling panga soap and sabuni na wire steel wool.
And also mafuta ya kupima, Your Honor. Don't forget.
Here
Thank you.
is a lady who is squandering husband's money just to go and see a very fine boy, a Yahoo boy, a 360 boy, a wash boy. So I want you to note down there, and I will interpret this in a very good language that you'll understand. You know, in TikTok, Harvard University, where I studied law, we all normally say that in penal code 1, 2, 3, ABCD, yani ndwa mucho. Yani, instead of that, we call it, it's because of negoniosis. And take it over from there. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you so much. So that's just the reality of life, Your Honor. Yeah. So that's another one. I've got, I think, about 7 more to show you. Just the transactions before I go now to other expenditure. Yeah.
I have some more Zelle coming from my husband's account.
Oh my God. Jesus. That's another one.
Can she repeat that? Coming from your husband's?
Yeah.
So you're even sending from your
I'm sending
husband's
from my
account.
husband's account as well.
Ex-husband. We share, like, we have a joint account. So I have some more.
Yeah.
Guys, witchcraft is real.
Yeah, this is a case of Vipingo, lower Vipingo.
Mary, she's
Madam
married.
Prosecutor, we will need the
married
intervention of
early this year.
a spiritual pastor as well. If there's one in the comment
This is
section, we
crazy.
will give you time to come up.
Absolutely.
This is crazy.
I want to debunk that from our very able prosecutor, retired prosecutor Berry. There is nothing called uchawi or any witchcraft. It's called a killing to yangu. Thank you.
I withdraw. There's no
Akili
witchcraft.
Moto yangu, that sounds
This is
biased
crazy.
against women. That seems to be encouraging men to extort money from women. But I digress. Okay.
Madam Speaker, we will not dwell or rule on this case or based on gender. So I think you can withdraw that statement based on women. No.
I withdraw, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
Yes, I'm still continuing. I'm still showing you guys the screenshots. I've got about 3 more of this Cash App. 3 more of Cash App. Yeah. In fact, I think, that's one. So 2 more. Akili Muto yangu, my foot. Jesus. Like, she. Okay. So 2 more. 1. And then finally, this one. So this is just some of it, some of the transaction. Oh, I left some too here. I left some too. And those are the 2 that I left. So it's a lot of money. Like it's shocking. Miss Manga, this is Sylvia Sandoval, Assistant Case Manager with Johnson County Protection here in Kansas. Mr. Masharia has put in a request to move to Washington State and listed you as a residence he was going to stay at. Please call me back in order to continue with the transfer process. I need to speak to the resident of the home address for the probationer. Thank you. So Kamba Princess had not only sent thousands of US dollars to the gentleman, she was also willing to host him in the home she shared with her husband. Kamba Princess, is that so? Or the home you had previously shared with your ex-husband, is that so?
No, like he just pays the bills. I live by myself.
So you live there by yourself, but had he lived there before?
He had, but we separated.
Yeah, so you separated, so you move the husband out and you bring the Yahoo boy in. We get the picture, Kamba Princess.
Yeah, confused me with Juju.
Yeah, little miss left home to change home. Yeah, we get it. Okay, so I'll just go... I'll go to the next screenshot, Your Honor. So now, Your Honor, this, I believe, is, what is this? Is this DoorDash or what is it? This seem like food orders. Kamba Princess, could you take the mic? What is this?
Madam Prosecutor, that's DoorDash.
Oh, that's what you call DoorDash.
DoorDash, and again, it's written down there in English. Go ahead, I was just saying that it is written there for Masharia. Thank you.
Yeah, for Masharia. Okay. I think my name is covering that.
So just so that it's clear to everyone. So this is like a food delivery company, right?
Like Uber Eats. I think it's similar to
Uber Eats. Yeah, exactly. Like tell about where I am. So Kamba Princess used to order food for Masharia, aka Papster.
Oh, the judge is down, guys. The judge is down. Yeah.
Yeah. So Kamba Princess, you used to order food for this gentleman, right?
It's quite shocking, guys. It's really...
Guys, this is... what's happening with our girls?
But wait. Before you put blames, please. She just said that she has been ordering food worth $60 every day via DoorDash. That is Uber Eats. Thank you.
Okay, that's yet another one.
This is sad.
And the figures, I believe you can see the figures. Visa, oh my God. Strawberry margarita bottle. Taco Bell. Boy is on a diet, guys. Indian kitchen. Oh my God, boy is living his best life.
Your Honor, May I approach the bench?
Allow me to finish presenting the evidence, please.
The question is about the evidence.
Okay, Judge.
Your Honor, I would like to question the relevancy of the transactions being shown. Okay, yeah, the plaintiff seems to be introducing evidence of transactions without establishing how they pertain to the matter at hand. So my question is the intent to establish the existence of a relationship, or is this an attempt to reclaim the funds?
No, the relevance of this submission is because we don't know what happened. It's a story she's telling us, yeah? But we are not interested in the story, we're interested in the evidence. So the judiciary is going through the evidence. We need to see the evidence that can substantiate her claims that there was some money siphoned from her. That's why we are going through the transactions.
So it's a question of exploitation, right? Like the comment section is saying, right?
Yes, we are looking at it as an exploitation, because even if it is a lover, this money was being taken per day, daily. There is a limit she has to pay, or even more. You understand?
Okay,
so
thank you.
If you are a lover, you cannot be taking money every day, same day, you know. So,
all right.
I'll explain. Can I explain?
Okay, thanks for the clarity. Yeah.
That Kamba princess.
There's a certain limit that Zelle has to get to some. So I used to use both Cash App and Zelle. So if I use
what is the limit? What is the limit to your Zelle?
I'm not quite sure, but it just used to give me a notification like I've reached the maximum.
That is when you have sent how much? Like you've sent how much per day?
Like 700 per day.
Okay, and then now when it has given you a restriction because of love, you still go to the other one you said is Zelle and what?
Cash App.
Cash App. Okay.
And then I used to send a sister back in Kenya money, so I have evidence as well.
My fellow judge, Judge Cinderella, can I explain something that maybe you guys missed, or this court missed, and I'm noting down everything. She said that she gave one Mr. Sharif Masharia, or whatever he calls himself, a Papstar, his bank details. That means card details. So if you go overboard and do it, if you can explain that point, go ahead, come back, Queen, and clarify that, because that's what I had from beginning.
No, I have a question on that.
Wait, let her clarify first. Let her clarify first. Is that so? Kamba Queen, ulimpatia kadi ya details, like unampatia number ya kadi yako, like 400455, then CCVR, the expiry date. Is that so? And then we move from there. Kamba Queen, can you hear me?
Kamba Princess, she is listening to a live that is corresponding with this. Kamba Princess, please focus on TikTok High Court of Kenya. Those things will just piss you off. Kamba Princess, respond to the senior judge.
Kamba Princess, are you there? Kamba Princess.
Kamba Princess.
Are you there?
She's listening to Caro M. Caro M is talking somewhere.
No,
Kamba Princess.
Kamba Princess, are you there?
Lady Jacqueline, you have a phone number, you give her a missed call?
Yes, I can.
She's at Mapsters live, clearly.
I'll call her. I'll call her, Your Honor.
Yeah, please, flash her. She needs to pay attention here.
Yeah, so, just Lorella, she said, if you are noting down, she said that I trusted my so-called boyfriend with my cards. And that is what the ex-husband or the husband is now suing Paps. Physical, not even in TikTok, I court. I want you to note down that part. That's what I want her to explain to us, because I think a lot of people miss that part. Because Geoffrey Olingia and there was a altercation between Muiti and Geoffrey and all that stuff. Yeah. So you come unanipata vizuri, Cinderella.
You know, as we are waiting for Kamba Princess to come back. Is she back, Madam Prosecutor?
No,
as we are waiting. You're here. Okay, you're here. Madam Judge Rafmuli,
Yes.
If the case is going forward in the authorities there in America, I think somebody is risking.
He is most definitely gonna sue Clinton again.
These are very bad evidence against
Serious,
him.
man.
Anyway, yeah.
This is a lot.
Anyway, Kamba Princess, you had questions from Judge Rafmuli. He's gonna repeat his questions so you can answer. Yeah. Please pay attention. Judge Rafmuli, muulize.
Kaba Princess, are you there? You see, now she's all over.
Sorry about that. I was receiving a call from
Let me ask you a simple question, and I think that's what you said. You say that you entrusted Papster with your bank card, your credit card.
So it took my credit.
Start from explain that part.
I need to explain. He said that for some reason, when I used to send Cash App, it would not work. So he asked me to give him the card details, one of the cards, because I have like 6 banks. So I gave him for the Bank of America so that he could just be recharging coins if he needs coins for TikTok.
And what happened? What happened?
So he used to charge from the card to get the coins.
So did he overcharge it? Because I heard you say that.
At some point he overcharged, like he spent like $1,000 on coins.
Yes, and now where does your ex-husband or your husband now get into all this?
My ex-husband, we have an account with BCU, Credit Union. So I sent also money to him using that bank account, and he came and asked me, who is Shakil Masharia? I said, it's just a friend. So from his account, I took like $7,000. I sent it to him.
From your ex-husband's account?
We have a joint account. We have a joint account.
Please, I'm leading you to somewhere, please. Yes, go ahead.
We have a joint account, so sometimes my Bank of America would just have like, it's like acting up. So I decided to use money from the joint account from the credit union, BCU.
And when your husband learned that, he now questioned you, and you told him that he's just a friend, right?
Yeah, and then yesterday he came to realize that we were dating, and he said that he's gonna sue Shakil Masharia.
Because he was doing what?
What?
Because Masharia was doing what? Why would your husband sue Masharia?
I don't understand why he said that.
You told this court that when he realized and he has details of Masharia, and you publicly declared here, I was here, saying that your husband noticed that Masharia, Mr. Masharia, that is Paps, was using your cards. And how did he get the cards? So your husband will use that one as someone who is scamming his cards.
Yeah, something, because at some point he started asking some weird questions like, what's my date of birth? What's my husband's date of birth? So that he can do maybe fraud or something. But I never told him the date of birth.
My fellow Judge Cinderella, you can take it from there. I will just lead you to somewhere. Thank you. Go ahead.
Thank you so much, Judge Rafmuli. And the good thing that we are here, many 2 heads are better than one. Madam Kamba Princess, Madam Kamba Princess, eh?
Yes.
Are you legally divorced?
We separated.
Legally divorced?
We're not yet divorced. We legally separated.
So this suing that your ex-husband is doing, I don't think it's just Paps. I think it also translates to you. You understand? Because let's
not get my husband into this, please.
We are not talking about the husband. Yes. We are not talking. We can't even talk about somebody who is not here. But I'm trying to tell you legally, if he is suing Paps, he is suing you. Because who is Paps to you?
Let's not bring that topic here then. Let him do whatever you want to do. Maybe he understands a lot.
Your Honor, maybe just, I think, Your Honor, I'm just requesting to probably just approach the bench a bit now. Guys, with your permission, guys, the direction this is taking is very dangerous. And from what I'm saying, from where I'm seated, ultimately, Kamba Princess is shooting herself on the foot. She is shooting herself on the foot. If she's not careful, she'll be in for it, because the ex or the husband who's supposed to be taking care of this might choose to go for both of them or either of them.
Sorry to interrupt you, Barry. Sorry to interrupt the court, guys, and the senior Chief Justice here. I think the direction we are taking as judiciary is all right. We are here to listen to a case. Is not here to advise the plaintiff. So let us.
Judge Rafmuli,
we will do that after, because we want to give them. Please,
Judge Rafmuli.
Yes,
let us share minds together with you, right?
Please.
Let us share minds together with you. We are not advising the complainant.
For the longest. I've been this field for the longest. If we go that way, we are going to scare this plaintiff by the name.
No.
Let us to go smart, Gaki. I don't know because
Judge Rafmuli, I mean it, please. The reason why we asked or we proceeded in this other different direction, it's because on this sit down on TikTok High Court of Kenya, we do not want to say any other thing that could, be whatever with her, whatever the ex-husband is doing, right? But we needed her to understand, because we have to go now to an angle where this lady here in court, she was giving us a story. We've heard the story and we know how it's going. We are seeing the figures. It is much money, right? And now that she has given us the story, now we need this lady to either submit anything that would show she is, allow me to say this because I don't want to be limited, please. I'm not saying it in a bad way, Kamba Princess, yeah? I need an evidence where at any point, maybe it is a chat, yeah? Where at any point there was this conversation about money. We need to know how the money was being asked to establish if you were maybe hypnotized or you were sending these transactions willingly. That matters in court.
I will send so many screenshots. Like you would send like so many messages in a day. Hold on there.
Yeah. So we need that because even the comment section is trying to figure out, was she under siege sending these transactions or what was going on? We need a storyline of this fraudster. It needs to appear here.
Your Honor, for purposes of clarity, the plaintiff just mentioned the status of their relationship is separated. For purposes of clarity, I would like her to state when exactly this came into effect. So it will help in the proceeding of this court.
Yeah, you will respond to that, Kamba Princess. We also need to know if you were blackmailed, if there was, when you failed, was there a moment when you needed money and you failed? If it was there, how was his reaction? Like give us, let us see you as a victim here,
Thank you very much.
Yes, I'm taking screenshots. Thank you.
Okay, as she's sending those screenshots, I would love her to tell her a story. Then we can come to those advices. She knows what she's doing. If we keep on doing that, we will lose focus. So let her do what? Narrate her own story. Then from there, now at the end, vile watu tunafanyaga, we make sure that we do advise. Thank you. That was my intention. Thank you.
Yeah, Berry Black, prosecutor Berry Black respond. Or
yes, submit? And I agree fully, but at the same time, on these we need to tread carefully. Why? We are talking about people who are separated. As a man, jealousy is part of us. It's in us. In the event that this man comes to realize that his own card was utilized in serving another man elsewhere, he might choose to take it. Now, the worst bit is in the event that the recording is right here, Kamba Princess declaring in broad daylight on a live that she utilized, or rather she used, the ex-husband's card to satisfy another Yahoo boy out there. Trust me, that might even become more troublesome for Kamba Princess as a person. In the event that the man sitting from a perspective of, or rather looking at things from a perspective of a man, I can do worse damage. You cannot utilize my funds to satisfy another man's ego out there, to clean another man out there. You cannot. So if I have the authority to deal with you, I can. That's why I'm saying that whatever she says, she should be the victim and not the person who perpetrated, who was part of these in terms of, it's like now they were defrauding the ex-husband with the Yahoo boy, the current. And guys, we have to look at into this critically. Let's not take this like we just want, no. This might take this kind of princess in. So we have to just, we need to be human. We need to think critically. Otherwise, this lady might end up in jail. If you're not careful.
Yeah.
Especially courtesy of the ex-husband. A man is a jealous person.
We understand you.
So
We understand you so much. I understand you very much. I understand you. Totally agree with you. But again, as she pointed out earlier, she said that the ex-husband or the husband, as she calls the man, my husband, noticed yesterday that perhaps wasn't just a friend. They were pushing or they were dating. That's why now the husband wants to press charges. So later talk before we even advise her. Later narrate our own.
I will only do with evidence. There are so many screenshots while he's telling me to.
Please go ahead. Non-interrupted.
Those screenshots you've submitted or you want to submit yourself?
I want to submit them to you guys.
Yes.
On WhatsApp or you want to put it on big screen?
No. She's sending them over.
Lady Jack.
Okay. When it's ready, yeah?
Lady J can see what to bring to public and what not to bring to public. So let's just Lady J.
I will just move because I went through almost the same thing, so I'm just listening. I just went through almost the same thing.
Welcome, Mutinda. Mutinda, welcome. This court welcomes you. Advise us, is it in the case of Papstar too? Okay, it's another different person. All right, we welcome you. We are very interested in that. We are going to get to that, yeah? You can finalize with the mic as we are waiting for those screenshots, yeah?
Okay. All right, Your Honor. Shall I say very quickly, if that's okay, that I think what Chief Justice Raf Muli is trying to avoid is a somewhat gagging of the court. And I think as members of the jury, members of the judiciary,
so
we have to be careful that we are not stopped from getting to the bottom of the truth, but we also understand the legal implications of presenting some information that may seem to favor the gentleman in question, the Yahoo boy. So I get both sides, but let me mute for now and wait for that evidence to drop.
Yeah, Madam Prosecutor, Kamba Princess is still sending, or she's here now?
I'm sending. There's so many screenshots, so I'll just send some of them for him asking money.
We are sorry for what you're going through. We'll get whatever it is. We will finalize here. Yeah. So actually, it's worrying. I'm actually very worried. There's a lot going on in my mind. I wanted to ask of. Don't forget on the screenshot, the time you don't give him money, what happens? It needs to be there. We need to know. We need to see you as a victim. Yeah. Even when you are sharing these love messages, we like sex. Yeah, we like
because
love.
I'm also seeing blackmail as part of this and everything. I'm looking at it that way. Blackmails or something, because we need to interrogate this, critically. Probably someone has your nudes, he's been blackmailing you, you either send or if you don't, I'll do this.
And she has to also get but without exposing yourself, Kamba Princess, you will still speak. Now, when you spoke the first time, yeah, you were all over the place. And I know it is intense. Now at least we can listen to you. We are getting somewhere, yeah. You will go back to speaking and go back to that point where sijui kulikuwa na ulinyonga the whole night na yeye baada ya kutuma $600. We need that now, okay?
What do you mean about kunyonga?
The other live was people were shouting, yeah. So I was just there. I heard someone saying after kutuma pesa alimweka anyonge wakanyonga the whole night. Was that you mulinyonga? Or was the other co-wives?
Like we'd just sleep on phone together. The phone would just be on till morning.
Sasa hapo ni mnalala tu, hakuna anything.
He would leave work anakuja ananiambia like let's do this before I go to work. So
yeah. So now Madam Prosecutor, wewe ukikuwa ready utatuambia. Now Kamba Princess, it has never happened before that we listen to a plaintiff twice, but the reason why we are listening to you is because we believe the other sit downs did not have a decorum. Yeah. For now, please, if we can all remain muted. Kamba Princess, if you do not mind, take it as a tuseme sasa umefika kwa mamako nyumbani, unamwelezea umekuwa victim wa hii kitu, aje kuliendaje, kulifanyikaje. Open up, funguka client. That's what we do here, yeah. We are getting information.
We're gonna part ways, and he's going to go to Carol M or Song K because they play very good on ground. They don't send money in bits. They send at once, like 500 in a week.
What?
500.
No, I've heard, but you know you've started middle way, yeah. Ebu tuambia tumesema nini?
Kamba girl, this is the house I was building with someone.
Mtinda, we can't have two cases co-joining. We also don't know the someone. Please just hold on for the mic, please.
Name is Rogers, but okay, let me just mute.
Please. I will take over. Kamba Princess, it is you. It is your microphone. It is you now. Speak.
Tell me that if I don't send the money, we're gonna part ways and go to Carol M or Song K.
So do we have that blackmail in a text, or just maybe it was a voice call?
I have so many, so that's why I'm pausing because I can't multitask.
Yeah,
so,
she can't.
So you mean you had to send money to keep him around you? So you are sending money so that he stays with you?
And
so
because I loved him, he was going to heartbreak me.
Oh no!
And also, Kamba Princess, 1 minute. Very Black, did the judiciary just hear what she said first? She said,
did you just say?
If she does not want to send the money immediately, she is emotionally blackmailed. That you know what, Carol M and Sonke are better than you.
I'm answering things when I'm doing something else. Could you give me 5 minutes?
We are okay
finish up first. Yeah, finish
up
first.
We are okay with you, yeah? We are okay with you. Very Black, she is being told Carol M and Song K are better options than her because they don't send their money kidogo kidogo, wanatumanga pesa mingi mara once. Hey,
and here she's busy also trying to flex her muscles. That no, I can send more to an extent of exhausting your ex-husband's bank account. Okay, are you getting this? Are you getting this?
You guys, you need to know that can I explain to you guys? I think you did not understand. All the screenshots that I've sent you are from my bank. I haven't sent for my husband yet.
Yeah, the husband screenshot, you said it is a total of maybe 7,000.
Yeah,
so you became exhausted. So you exhausted your account, then you went on to get into your ex-husband's bank account, huh?
I did not
just to flex your muscles against two other women out there?
I'll explain to you again. I did not exhaust my account. There's a limit that would get rich in a day.
And all this was because you are competing against two other women out there?
No,
right?
it's because I loved him. It's because I loved him. That's it.
Ish. Okay.
Yeah, and we understand love, yeah? We understand love. We understand it. So we are going to protect you on that, yeah? Prosecutor Berry Black, I know this topic is sensitive to you, but hold on, the fire, ceasefire a little bit, eh? Kamba Princess, we are still back with you now with the mic. Now we are getting to understand this, yeah? So Mimi, I as Judge Cinderella, the other judges will also preside. I'm not presiding alone, but as Judge Cinderella, huwa napenda plaintiff akikuja kotini kwa lugha yoyote ambayo anaweza elewa, hata sitaki ikuwe na English. Guys, we are okay with Swahili? There's Don K. Okay, so maybe mix it with English, yeah? But this chick, I feel that hujafunguka. I feel that hata hujatuambia story, unaona? Wewe na Popstar mulianza aje kupatiana pesa? Mulikuwa na mawasiliano kwamba utakuwa unamnunulia chakula kila siku, ama alikuweka aje ndio ukaanza kutuma pesa ya chakula kila siku?
So he used to tell me that he has no money. He has sent me like screenshots of his bank account being $40. Chase Bank. I have evidence with his names.
That evidence. Okay, so all he has is $40. Continue.
So he would tell me, Sina pesa, could you please just buy me food? And then I would order DoorDash like every day. He would tell me, I need some food. I have the messages. I'm going to forward to you.
And Judge Black Cinderella, I don't know if I can explain something to you here. This lady you are dating a broke guy. You have money and you're trying to make his life better. Have been there. So you are always trying to help him to have a better life. This is what happens. I have been there. It's not like you are just trying to help someone have a better life.
Yeah.
Sorry for interrupting, my fellow judge, Cinderella, please. I want us to get to a point whereby, and that's why when I preside uniquely. I don't say that I surpass you guys with all what you do, but again, we can never turn our court to be a debate center or advice committee. Let us listen to the case. Let the plaintiff explain. Let us ask questions according to what she tells us, not bombarding her till now you are there to please that shit. Oh, this was extorting money from you. We cannot preside cases like that. There's a way we preside because we are professionals, right? Let us listen. Then when you want to ask a question pertaining what she gives us, we can always give her direction. Like a question just posed, you should have posed like this: Je, Kamba Queen, huyu jamaa ulipokuwa unamtumia pesa alikuwa anakuambia vipi na alianza vipi? Then let the story flow. Note down. But the prosecutor understands very much kwamba ana note down. Barry is not new in this prosecution desk. He knows all that. That's what we really want to know, because most of us even lost because it's like you are taking the story to be yours. So if we can,
Princess, 1 minute. We'll let the judge finish. Judge Rafmuli, Judge Rafmuli. This is where we need your wisdom. We understand. I'd asked earlier that we all remain muted, but now I think Lady Jacqueline and I can come off the big screen so that we can have Judge Rafmuli and Kamba Princess there.
No.
Now, Judge Rafmuli, if you've noticed, Kamba Princess ni mtu ambaye no, Judge, listen first.
Why I say that is because
listen, Judge, I'm in agreement with that. Kamba Princess ni mtu ni kama hajaifanya kesi na ni kama ni mtu ambaye haezi explain ama hata ajui afunguke aje. So we need your wisdom to extract some information. So as we are going to listen, you are going to have a conversation with her. Because hata I need that swali jajibiwa bado mpaka saizi.
Yeah.
So if we can do that small interview between you and Judge Rafmuli, we are listening to information.
Yeah, before we do that, please, Kamba Queen, finish sending those evidences fast.
Thank you.
We can give you all the time to send everything. Then when you are ready, we'll get back to you. In the meantime, Judge Cinderella, you can give us, because ulikuwa preside the other law courts. Unapata ulikuwa Kibera law courts somewhere, there was no decorum and other stuff. At least when I'm the prosecutor, you know the nature of this case. as she's doing all that, do to see yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, so Your Honor, I have she's still sending me evidence in my on my desk. So I don't know whether to wait until she sends everything through or I start presenting it. I don't know.
Huyu Kamba Princess ameenda kufanya nini? Ameenda kutuma evidence zingine, wacha atume zote. Alafu akirudi atakuwa na conversation. Sisi tutasikiza tu. Judge Rafmuli knows what to do, yeah?
Okay.
Are you here? You want to talk or Lady Jacqueline should proceed? Atuonyeshe vitu mtumia.
I need to send more evidence because
so you send.
Kama Queen, where are we at right now? Please, monipate the cabinet so I'll Kama Queen, where are we at now? What part of evidence is to Konai? We want to work with some parts of evidence.
What I have is asking for money for shopping, asking money for food, and
so one, let me direct you. One, now, Madam Prosecutor, your desk should know that we have more evidences, but you should put them on categories. Evidence number 1 to 10, ama number 1 is finance, upande wa bank. Second, ile ya Uber, so the DoorDash thing, ama Uber Eats. Secondly, hizi vingine za tutalala tuko kwa simu. The other ones, vile wali kuja wakakosana, those evidence should be separate, so that when she's narrating, now we can now ask the office of prosecution, Madam Prosecutor, that uko na evidence. I just want us to go to that in that route. We work on that route. It would be very nice. Alafu tunaweza mlini vizuri, and it would make even Cinderella's job more easier. Thank you. Go ahead, Cinderella.
No, I second that. So we are just listening, Madam Prosecutor.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Lady J, can I say something? You know, I had Kamba Princess saying that, this guy doesn't have money. He sent him a screenshot of $40 that he had in his account. So I usually see this guy gifting Kamba Princess most of the time. So I'm just wondering if Kamba Princess sends him money to gift him.
Sometimes part of the money I sent is for gifting, and then the rest it takes. Like I would send like 600, it takes like 200 for gifting, and then he keeps the rest.
Okay.
No, it's not. Let me say something. It's not sometimes. It's every time, all the time.
Yeah, all the time. Thank you, Menace. Thank you.
Yeah, let's be clear here. Kamba Princess, yesterday we were on the phone, me, you, and okay.
Yeah. I'm not
just a moment, Mr. Menas. Kamba Princess. Aki, wacha tu tukuongeleshe tu na lugha tu yenye ya hapa TikTok, eh? Kwa hiyo live ngumu umesema anakupigianga simu anakuambia tuende tuchafue TikTok. So right, that's what I'm saying. We are listening to
screenshots.
Yes, so ukifunguka wewe usifunguke na hii ni kama kapusi, I'm not calling you a cat, but yani ni kama umezoea kuwa tendered, like you can't even funguka mtu wangu. This is the moment.
Okay, na funguka. You guys are not taking screenshots. Can you just give me some time? I take screenshots. Please.
Okay, good. Just onto that. If you guys remember our previous case right here, over the same. What Kamba Princess and Papstar said was that Son K has been sending Papi money, then Papi ends up gifting Kamba Princess. Do you guys remember that statement?
Yeah, we do.
They were really laughing about it over here. They were laughing about it right here. And they made joke of Son K, and they said, you are sending him money and he's coming to gift us. You guys, you were all here. Do you remember?
Part of the money was for gifting. The other one was to keep aside. Like he was not buying $600 coins. That's too many coins. He was buying like 200, and then the rest.
But last time you mentioned that Son K sends him money, then he comes to gift you, and you guys, really made fun of Son K around here.
I've never seen Son K sent money. Sorry, I've never seen
that
it.
Was a statement right here. That was a statement that he said here, and you supported it. He said that here.
I don't know where the money comes from. All I care is he asks for money for coins and I give him like 200 and the rest he keeps. So anything to do it's okay. I don't have evidence. I don't know.
Kamba Queen kidogo. Can I talk to Kamba Queen now? Kamba Queen, stop giving any evidence for now. We direct you on Sailo Tatuma evidences, okay? Because you have all your time. Because this case is delicate and it's a big case, right? So now I want you to concentrate na sisi hapa, okay? Kamba Queen, if that is okay with you right now, stop sending those the other evidences. We'll get to that, okay? Now Kamba Queen, nataka kuuliza na Kiswahili
princess.
Whatever, princess or whatever. Kamba princess. Huyu jamaa Paps ulikuwa umempatia kadi akuwe akinunua tokens ama akinunua coins. Is that right or wrong?
That's correct.
Good.
Yes.
Ambayo ilikuwa ya ex-husband, right?
My card, Bank of America.
Yeah, Bank of America, yes. Correct. I want you to note down. Swali la pili ni kwamba umetuambia, hebu tueleze, nataka tueleze tu kwa lugha ambayo unaelewa vizuri. Utuambia onesa, utoba baika, pate kindu, niva na ni mukamba wenu. Ningutete ya undu bababwa, lakini tuungama kindu kibwa, nundu nita wakilunda, na kilundu kulunda kisi mbesa, kisi kuadha, yani ita wayangi. Kwa kubini ita wambesa nini, nguvingu. Yani in short, nilikuwa nakuambia aje.
Yes.
Huyu jamaa.
Yes.
Ulipokuwa korokoroni.
Yes.
Wewe ulianza kujua naye hapo, ukaanza kumtumia pesa na kukuwa na mwanamke yoyote kwa picture. Anzia story hapo sasa.
Okay, niliingia TikTok 1 month ago. I'm 1 month old on TikTok. So I used to go on his live and just gift him. So he started asking for my number inbox. I've sent the screenshot to Lady Jacqueline. He approached me and he told me that you're so pretty, I like you, so I need us to be serious. I was a little bit hesitant. I gave him my number after a week. Then he started calling me. He told me that he wanna settle with me. We start dating.
Okay, when was that? Do you remember exactly the month?
Yes, I have the Lady Jacqueline as a
screenshot. You don't need evidence. Do you remember the month? Because I'm working with the month here, not even days.
Last month. I would say last month, yeah.
So we are at October, right?
October.
Thank you very much. Na October, before October, ulikuwa ujimuona mahali pengine, mshaionana ama something like that?
Nope, I'd never seen him at any other place.
Na pale mlipoanza kuitishana namba, ukampatia namba after you stated for a week. Of course I'll do that because sijajua mtu yoyote, si ndio?
Yes.
Kutoka hapo ilianza namna gani? Tupatie ka small briefing tu kadogo tu. Wewe umesi pia to nyomutewani ni wewe kuwa.
What did you say again?
I said pale mlipojuana tupatie ka historia kadogo hivyo.
Tulipojuana aliniambia situation yake is a felon and he has nowhere to live and he's trying to like get a girlfriend. Kazi yake itakuwa tu kufanya hivyo and
kutombana.
Kupeana mrija. He said kupeana mrija and if I can help him and support him to start LLC business. And he's gonna return the money to me back.
Okay, akakwambia kwamba anatafuta girlfriend wa kumtimiza upande wa conjugal ama ukipenda kwa kitanda, yani mshike duk bin kudu, si ndio?
Yes.
Good. Thank you. Na wewe ukaona kweli nimeangukia, right?
Not really. I just like
I'm leaving somewhere, please.
Judge Rafmuli, you have a high sex drive in court. I can now see that you are very interested.
Fellow judge, I'm sorry. My fellow judge, I'm sorry. I have a unique way of getting some things. Bear with me, please. So, before we were rudely interrupted by my fellow judge, ukaingia.
Yes.
Na ukampenda katika hiyo hali, si ndio?
Yes.
Ikakuja vipi mpaka ukawa sasa unampatia pesa?
To be honest, I can't remember what happened, but the first time he said he had not taken breakfast, so I ordered breakfast from McDonald's, and then within every day would ask for money, like nisaidie, I need to do this, like let's get a room, I live with roommates, stuff like that.
Yes.
So that's how I started giving him money.
One question, Judge Rafmuli of relevance to Madam Kamba Princess. Madam Kamba Princess, wakati huyu kijana alikuapproach akakwambia yeye atakuwa kazi yake ni kupatiana mrija na ajue hiyo situation haiwezi akafanya kazi and all that, wewe ulimjibu nini? What did you answer?
Let me explain again.
Yeah.
Kazi yake alikuwa anasema atanipatia bado pesa na nipatie mrija. As he goes to work, he makes like 200 like in a day. So he said that money was not enough since he pays motel 500 every week. So in a week he would make 600 and the rest of the 100 is gonna use Uber because he doesn't drive. Yes.
Na ukamuonea huruma.
Yeah, like I loved him, and if I love someone, I'm gonna just support the person. So he kept on asking for money. Like send me $500, send me $150.
Okay.
I've not eaten yet.
I'm concerned. I'm concerned over something.
You wanna say something, Berry?
Yes, I'm concerned over something because the last time I checked, we had, and I'm seeing also Jajoka was an attorney for Madam Sonke right here. Now, the last time I checked, Kamba Princess herself knew everything that was going on with the life of this young man. Now, I've seen the dates of the amount, the transactions.
We are going to get there. It's too early to call.
If you look at the dates, those dates, they came after that conversation here.
Yeah, we are not in everything. I'm just trying to lead you somewhere. I won't take long. We are getting to that.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So, Kamba Princess.
Yes.
Kaanza kumtumia pesa, mkapendana, mapenzi kanoga. Je, ulikuwa unajua kama kuna mwanamke yoyote, did you ever know that ana uhusiano na mwanamke yoyote, kina Sonkei, kina Cinderella, kina nani?
He told me that those were like TikTok jokes. They would say this first wife, second wife, third wife, but he said we're just playing. The thing I'm looking for is a relationship with you. So I didn't know that he doesn't have money. He started sending his screenshots for a balance of $40 from Chase Bank. Like, he would tell me I don't have money.
Yes. Okay, kufikia hapo, nafikiria kila mtu anaelewa, ndo tuendelee. Cinderella, chukua microphone. Katika hiyo hali, katika hiyo duration, hiyo story ametupatia, na wewe uendelee, alafu upatie Berry. Hapo, lakini suruka zaidi, maana tutaenda na pole because I understand that we are not in, because we are understanding everything right now. Twende nalo.
Yeah. So Kamba Princess tumefikia mahali sasa ameanza kukuonyesha hata proof of ana pesa. Inaitwa manipulation and pity party. And you because you are human, ukaanza kumnunulia chakula, it's nothing to you. Ulikuwa muuliza swali moja na jaja, what is the source of your income if you can share with us? There was that question.
I have 2 jobs and my husband also supports me fully. Like, yeah, that's how I get my money.
So, easy licha ya kile kitu imetokea, these amounts that you are sending, ni kama kwako ni kama, are they huge or they are just, chicken change?
To me, they are not much because I don't pay bills or anything, so my money, I don't use it. It's my husband who takes care of everything. So to me, it was not something like a big deal.
Okay. Yeah, so anyone kutupatia story yako?
Endelea. Have you been answered, Cinderella? Good. Now, hapo unaenda vizuri sana. Okay.
Yeah, tuendelee sasa. Tuendelee. Pole, sikumba na msumbua. Tuendelee.
Okay, next phase. Huyu kijana mkaendelea mkapendana kweli kweli. Nataka nijue ilifikia wapi mpaka ukampatia details za kadi yako anaweza enda nunua nayo. It's very possible. I always do that. Yes.
Sometimes it would be on TikTok, like he would start TikTok while I'm at work. So instead of him keep calling me to send money for coins, he asked me if I could send him my card so that he can just be charging automatic.
Well understood. If I love someone, I'll do the same. Now we get it. Cinderella, my fellow judge, you're not it down. Okay, fine. Sawa. Na hii kadi ambayo ulikuwa umempatia ilikuwa yako. American Bank of America,
yes,
right?
It was mine, and then at some point it's like he was trying to fraud the card because he started asking me for my personal details like date of birth.
Okay, na ukampatia?
Nope. Like I knew what he was trying to do.
Katika hiyo hali hiyo banki yako, hii kadi yako at some point ikawa imeenda excess, ikabidi utumie bank ya your Abi.
No.
Ilifanyika aje? Because ulikuwa umetueleza
why. Started saying it's declining, like there was money but it's declining. I don't know the reason, like suspicious activity. That's how they detected, and the Bank of America called me that they detected suspicious activity on my card, so they blocked it.
Okay, wakai flag na wakai block. Now when did it get mpaka ukampatia ile joint account yako na bwana au
sikumpatia joint account?
Yes, tuelezee hapo.
I did not give him any joint account.
Tuelezee, tuendelezee. Amekuambia kwamba wewe umetuambia kwamba bwanako alikuja kurealize kwamba pesa yake inatumika kwenye joint account yake. Yeah.
So when he realized that it's being used, he asked me like, who is Shakil Mashari? I answered him like, it's my friend. So he asked me why you sending him this lots of money from the account. And I just told him like, he's my friend and I was trying to help.
And he did not have any problem with that?
No.
Yeah, because a friend you're trying to help, of course, kamwambia ni jamaa ametoka hivyo vile tu Kiswahili cha watu wa kawaida, si ndio? Akaelewa. And if I may ask, huyu bwana ni Mkenya ama ni mzungu ama ni wa nchi nyingine tu, if you don't mind?
He's American but Kenyan, I would say, yeah.
Okay, he's a Kenyan. Okay, sawa.
He's dual citizenship, like America, Kenyan.
I've gathered his Murage. From what I've gathered, he's Murage.
Yes, it's a nikawaida.
He's Murage. He's a Nikikuyu.
Hata family ni Kenyan America. So yeah, we understand. Okay, sawa. Kutoka hapo ikafikia vipi bwana kukuuliza chochote na bwana takes care of everything kwa hiyo nyumba? Umetuambia kwamba mkao umeelewana kwamba atatoka Kansas, right? Amkuje mwishi naye kwa hiyo nyumba ya bwanako ambaye analipa bill zote, since you told us your husband doesn't pay nada. He pays nothing, right? Tuelezea hapo kwa fupi.
I'm sorry for that. So could you ask the question again?
Yeah, concentrate. Focus. Huyu kijana ulikuwa uende kule Kansas mahali huko ukamtembelee na mtembelea, lakini ukuenda last week. Na today, which was yesterday, because we are past 12, so it's yesterday, ulikuwa uende kule lakini ukapata rapsha. Ulikuwa unaenda wapi?
Nilikuwa kwenda kumwona because he said we can't stay in the motel. It's kind of shady, so we got an hotel, Best Restaurant, which was just like two minutes walk from there.
So you had already booked that hotel?
I paid for it. I have evidence. I paid yesterday and today. So I was to get to Kansas today and pay for like 3 weeks because I was going to be there for 3 weeks with him.
Hiyo ni mzuri sana kupata mimba. That's very good. Congratulations. Makofi, Madam Prosecutor. Okay, sawa. So ulikuwa mnaenda kuishi kwa moteli, bado naishi kwa motel, right?
Hatukuwa tuishi kwa motel.
Ndio, nasema alikuwa naishi pole mama, anaishi kwa motel, lakini wewe umemchukulia 2 days hotel now. Ile classic. Yes. Someone like you cannot go to Motel 6, right?
Okay.
No, not okay. Ukamlipia nini mbili, hiyo hotel ndio mwende mkaspend pale, si ndio?
Yes.
Yes. Now anzia pale mlikosana aje? Bila kuwa na kitu.
Jana.
Yes.
Jana alikuwa amefungua live. And he had like mentioned to me that I'm the only girlfriend. So Carol M came in and Song K came in. They started like attacking me, like calling me names, but I was all mute throughout.
Yes.
So at some point, Buddha Boss came in and asked like, "Hey, Papsa, Kwani, how many wives do you have?" Papsa was like, "I have 3 wives. Kamba Princess is the main, Carol M is a special one, and Song K is the BB too cheesy." That's what he said.
Okay.
So after that, he asked the same question again. Let's say after 5 minutes, he said, "Oh, now I gotta tell you the truth. My only woman is Carol M." So I texted him and I told him it's over.
Okay.
I already sent the evidence to Lady Jacqueline. So he said it's okay. So in the middle of the night, he started calling me, telling me that he's gonna make up. He wants us back together and I can take the flight again. So I didn't take the flight. I waited till 9 in the morning. I booked for another flight.
To go where?
To go to Kansas.
The same guy?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Because he had apologized.
Okay, so because he had apologized. Now, hii flight ya pili ikafanyikaje mpaka ukuenda?
Tumekosana sahi when I went on live and I found his brother and friends discussing about me. So I asked him, "Could you go and protect me, protect my name?" He said he's not, like, cancel the flight because I thought like he's playing games.
So you did cancel the flight, right?
Yeah, I just canceled it a couple of hours ago. My flight was supposed to be today at 10:30 p.m. to Kansas.
Okay, sawa. So kutoka hapo nafikiri I think my fellow judge Black Cinderella, now unaweza grill kutoka hiyo story na usipite kutoka pale alitueleza mpaka hapo. We are still getting to the root cause of everything. So I understand this is the way I wanted us to lead. Okay, go ahead, Judge Cinderella.
Judge Rafmuli, as we were remaining muted because we are getting the information and it's very interesting, yeah. So if you can continue when you are done, we are going to cross-examine her. If you are done, Judge Rafmuli,
permission to approach the bench.
Yes, Judge Auka.
Thank you. Kamba Princess, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Where is your husband now, as we speak?
I don't think that's necessary. I'll not expose where he is right now. I'm sorry.
Okay. Is he at home or at work?
Why are you asking that question?
Because you've been answering all the questions, so we are leading somewhere.
I will not talk about my husband, please. Just ask me any other question, please.
I think it's in order. We said Auka before uingie. Nafikiri ulikuwa uko busy, ulikuwa umeenda kwaya kidogo practice vile utaimba kesho. So yes,
let me approach the bench if Judge Auka doesn't have questions.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, great. Now, Kamba Princess.
Yes.
Hi, mambo vipi? I'd like to know about something. I know ndakuwa nakurudisha nyuma kidogo, but naomba I need to know something from somewhere, okay?
Yes.
The last time we were on this live, that was on, and from what I've just checked, we were here on the 28th of October. Okay?
Yes.
28th of October, we were having a case here, okay? And that's when you declared that you are the main and you are very confident about everything. And this same Judge Auka who is here was right here defending Madam Sonke. By then, you were being defended by Magda Harris, who is here right now defending, So Magda Harris was on your side. You and Popstar, aka Swindler, TikTok Swindler, the Yahoo boy. The Yahoo boy TikTok Swindler. Okay? So, I've seen the screenshots of the cash that you sent. And I'm seeing most of them are in between date 2nd of this month and around 7th, 8th, 9th of this month. That's when the heaviest transaction is around there. Or the last time was 29th, yeah, 29th, yeah. But now I've seen the transactions are in between there, around there. All right?
Yes.
Okay, looking at the history based on how this particular individual treated Sonke, because remember Sonke was sending money and you are part of a panel where it was being said that he was getting money from Sonke to satisfy all of you. So the question is, didn't you suspect that this guy would do the same to you by then?
I did not suspect because he mentioned that he doesn't love Sonke. So I just thought like he loves me and he wouldn't do such a thing to me. He said he was with Sonke because of money. So I didn't suspect anything. Sorry.
Awesome. Now, okay, fast forward. Carol M came in, okay, and she kept gifting in a major way, and she became part of it in a bigger way. Didn't you see Carol M as the biggest threat compared to Sonke? In your now, by then it was, a big, you are the newlyweds in town. You didn't see Carol M as a threat?
No, she only gifted once. The first time was yesterday, just a lion. She's never like sent money to Papsa. That's what Papsa told me. I don't know.
Okay, good. Now,
so she was not a threat.
Okay, great. Now, have you ever met, because this has to go on record, have you ever met this Yahoo boy?
I have never met him in person. I was going to
never met him. But you went ahead to send close to 18,000. Is it around 18,000 USD or something to someone you've never met? Comfortably.
Yes.
Why?
Because to me that was not a big deal, and I was trying to, like, he would tell me, if you don't send me this, I gotta do this, like ananitisha. Like he was blackmailing me, like atanicharaza kwa TikTok. Atatuma watu wanicharaza.
Good. Hold on.
Very Black, let us have those blackmails. One ni atakucharaza kwa TikTok. The second one was atakuacha aende Sonke. Which one is the other one?
Let me check what I have in writing, because most of the time he would just like type. He would just call or type. I think I answer.
Umewahi mtumia view once.
Ngoja ukatulia, tuliza bangi.
Ngoja tunaendelea pole.
You are in the right direction, Barry. Let us not send this woman. No, sorry for that woman. So let us not send princess, Kamba princess to any fetching of evidences. Let us note down. Then when time comes, we give her.
Yeah, exactly. Let's just go slowly by slowly. We need to
go on, Barry, and ask. Those are the kind of questions that we want, because we want to get to the root cause of everything. Twenalo, Barry. Thank you.
Great. So, Kamba Princess, so apart from this, you've mentioned clearly that alikutisha, quoting your own term, alikuwa anakutisha. All right?
Alikuwa ananitisha.
Very good. Now, as a lady, and I know the biggest tissue yenye unaweza pattern is that probably I have your nudity that I might expose out there. Now, could this Yahoo boy be having your nudity that probably he might have threatened you with or blackmailed you with, that if you don't do this, I will expose this at any given point?
He's already exposed. Magda has it. So he's already sent to Magda.
What has been sent to Magda?
Okay, so
when I was going to the shower, like, he told me, let's go to the shower together.
Yes.
So when I was walking, he took a screenshot.
Yes.
So he said,
good. So all this money, the money that you sent was being, you had to send them to buy your peace of mind, because you didn't want to be exposed. Your nudity that you did out of love. Or
yeah, that was part of it. and so many other reasons.
Awesome. So you are generally trying to protect your image, your reputation, and everything about you as a lady.
Yes, and also I didn't want us to part ways, and because I loved him. So yeah.
So you fell in love with a stranger, a Yahoo boy who has done someone else dirty in the past, but you did not see through the, which again is normal. You are a lady, it's normal. But having fallen in love, the fake love, you found yourself, you know, becoming vulnerable to an extent of exposing your nudity.
Love. To me, I didn't care whether he's a felon. I didn't care whether he has done crimes like robbery or anything. I loved him from the bottom of my heart. So I didn't care who he was. Like, I just liked him and I fell in love.
Before Blackberry continues, I just want to direct this court on something that I mentioned earlier. And I find it very depressing. That's why we trust this court. And that's why I said we can only trust the office of prosecution. That is Lady Jack. Thank you. Because, and Madam Cinderella, you are here. Sorry for calling you Madam. Judge Cinderella, my fellow judge, you are here when I stopped any evidence to go to Magda, because already Steve Nice came on camera and told us
yes,
he has nudes.
Exactly.
And that's when I made that decision. All right. So now we are clear that ni kweli msichana akona nudes zake zinatembea na everybody knows outside there. So tuende pole pole.
Okay, great. I'll continue.
Go ahead.
Princess, I just want to take you slowly by slowly so that, because you are the victim here, I want you to be the victim. Nothing should go on record as you know, being something else. No, you are the victim here. Okay. Back a little bit. At any given point, have you had a conversation with Soin K, who's now on the other side? Because I was watching that like a conversation. Okay. What was... Okay, yes, go ahead.
She sent me so many messages and I responded back to her. Like, we had an exchange of words. She started it all. I have all the screenshots.
Okay, great. All this was because of the Yahoo
conversation.
Yes.
What was the nature of the conversation between you and Sonke, if I may ask?
She was just calling me names and like Papsa na kuchezea, like just like that.
Okay, so it was not like a fight, it was a sisterly advice and all that stuff. Is that what you mean?
It was a fight. It was like she was calling me names.
Oh, it was a fight. Go ahead, Barry. Yes, the clarification.
Okay. Awesome.
Right.
So we are talking of a person who at that particular point in time had been left, then the Yahoo boy came to you. So eventually now she was calling you names, fighting to get back her Yahoo boy.
I'm not quite sure whether she wanted him back or she just wanted us to part ways out of jealousy. So I can't tell.
No, there are only two ways here. She either wanted him back or she wanted him to stay with you. You either support or you are against it. You either want it, or if you don't want it, then okay, let go of that. Now, my other question is, as we speak right now, you having found, I don't know if it was the twin brother that you guys mentioned sometimes back that was discussing you somewhere else. Was it the twin brother? You guys mentioned the twin brother somewhere. Mash or something.
Yeah, he was not discussing about me. It's the people on the platform, Sonke and the rest of these people who are there, where they're talking about me, calling me names, and I have a recording of it as well.
Okay, great. And all this came because of what Carol M and Sonke, in the presence of Paps, that the Yahoo boy, mentioned on that platform, where you went and you got pissed off, right?
Yes, they were discussing about me when I was headed to the airport. So I made a U-turn. And I asked him, could you please go and defend me? He said he's not going to go because he knew that he was still in love with Carol M. So he didn't want to go there.
So right now your fight is, so your concern is no longer about Sonke, it's about Carol M. As we speak.
It's about Papsa.
So it's about, okay. Let me ask you a question and be be brutally honest with me, okay?
Yes.
As we speak right now, do you still love Paps?
Kind of.
It's a yes or no question.
From what has happened, like, you know, you cannot stop like loving somebody within 2 minutes. So
Okay, great. So what you're fighting for is for him to come back to you and not be with the other women.
Okay.
Or why are you
no,
here?
I wouldn't go back there. Sorry. No, I'm not fighting for him to come back.
So allow me to interrupt a little bit, my fellow
Go
prosecutor.
ahead. Go ahead.
So I need the advisement of the court. We have the defendant, Papster, and also the other plaintiff, what's her name? Papster, OG, first wife, blah, 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 the works, aka Sonke.
Just call her Sonke. Those
Yes,
are
so
fashionable.
should I bring them up, or should we wait a little bit for the cross-examination? Because I know what's going to happen the minute they come up.
Even before we make that decision, my fellow judge, Black Cinderella, I think it would be very wise of us to let Kamba girl finish, because we are almost done with our submission. Then now she can mute. There will be no altercations. Now they can be out. That's my direction for now. If you agree with me, my fellow judge.
Okay.
I thank you so much, Judge Rafmuli, Madam Prosecutor. I would want that Kamba Princess finished being cross-examined.
Yes.
I think Very Black is headed to the end. If there's any other person who wants to cross-examine, you'll do that quickly. And then, for the people that you've just mentioned,
Yes.
I know that we live on this street and we are so familiar with each other, but when we're in court, we are different persons, If you come up here and there is any shouting, name calling, it will go to a fine or a strike out of this court. Actually, prison, you understand? So when you come up here, don't shout. We have 2 ears, we are not in the market. Present your evidence, do not insult Kamba Princess. We won't tolerate that. There is witness protection in this court. So we finish with Kamba Princess and then we can have them.
Okay, Your Honor. I also have evidence that was presented, but it's only a few pages, so it won't take long to present to the court once she's done. Thank you, Your Honor. So I'll ask Mr. Papster to give us a few more minutes. We finish the cross-examination, and then you will come up. Do not leave the court, I request. Thank you.
Great. So I'm going to proceed. So as I wind up, yeah, great. So Kamba Princess, we are still here. It's just me and you. My name is Very Black. Yeah. So tell me, as things stands right now, are you talking, or are you in communication with your ex-husband? Because that's another factor that's very huge on this matter. Have you talked, and is he aware of all this? And is he on TikTok?
Kamba Princess, can you only respond? If you can't, just advise the court.
Yeah, because is Mr. Murage on TikTok, and is he aware of all this?
He's aware because Steve Nice has already called him because they are friends.
Steve Nice knows your husband.
They are good friends for 10 years, yes.
Yes. Actually, I'm aware of that. They are friends. I'm aware of that. Okay. Good. Now, as I wind up, I'd beg this court, as a prosecutor, and you know the prosecutor is always for the people. It's the people versus the other party. I beg this court, much as the evidence is there, let's not table anything that might incriminate Kamba Princess in any court, be it here or, you know, in now our higher courts where they are, because this is a very, very sensitive matter. It's a sensitive case that might bring issues. So let's deal with this, but let's be modest in our presentations in our close examinations. And in the event that, and please, Madam Prosecutor, is the platform owner and the court owner, please, in the event that any altercations comes up, kindly, I'm begging that the moderators be very, very swift in dropping, so that we don't have, you know, like a marketplace kind of what I saw last time, because I'm certain it will boil up based on what is out there and what is here. So we'll bring them up, but please bring them up one by one. Let them come explain. The cross-examination should be modest. If it becomes, you know, raising voices, let's be very sensitive to that. Let's not allow this to escalate further. Thank you.
Okay, so
thank you. Thank you very much, Prosecutor Berry. And I'll now let Cinderella direct because I think she has few minutes to wind up. Kamba girl to Kamba princess
evidence
on this. Yeah.
Yes.
I sent some evidence to Jacqueline.
So before you send the evidences,
I already sent to her.
Okay, thank you very much.
I already have them, so I'm ready to present them. They're only a few pages. Yes.
Lady Jacqueline.
Yeah. So,
Yes,
Lady Jacqueline,
yes.
Judge Rafmuli and Madam Prosecutor, I want Madam Prosecutor to just keep the evidence. You know what Madam Sonke can do in terms of lying, yeah? So when there is a lie, we are going to blast it with an evidence. I think it will be best like that, right?
Okay.
So, what do you think, Madam Prosecutor?
I can present one page showing that indeed there was coercion, because that's what the court is trying to establish. Yeah.
Your office feel that it is relevant to do so now. Please proceed.
Yeah, let me direct this. Let me direct this court on based on wisdom. I would rather suggest that you keep the evidences until we hear the other side story. Then now, if we ask questions, then that's when now you can really represent the evidence, because we know evidences can be cooked, and the way I see things going on, there is a gang up against one person who is deemed to be weak and who nudes her out there. Nanipata. So for now, I would just tell the prosecution desk to hold on first. So as we went up with the Kamba Queen, do you have anything that you think the court should know that you left out?
Yes, I do have.
Yes.
I have a screenshot of him sending the declined card. He took a screenshot. I'll forward it to Lady J right now.
Thank you.
And also a screenshot of his bank account, which was 100 and something.
So which the money was intended to be transferred to?
No. He was presenting proof that he had no money. That was his way of that.
And proof that he had my card that he was using. Yes. And it gave him an error. So I've already sent this to you.
Awesome.
So thank you very much, Kamba Queen. Thank you very much, Kamba Princess. And when we have this, the other side, we will want decorum. Just stay muted. But the prosecutor has every evidence. So we're still gonna grill both of you. So the case is yet to be determined. It's only submission. What you just did was submission. We are about to hear the case, so we are about to hear their submission before we go to the normal hearing. If that is all right, my fellow judge, then I'll take it from there. Thank you.
Yeah, it is all right, Judge Rafmuli. Because of the interest of time, and I'm not trying to rush this court, Kamba Princess, what I'd love to say to you is that, of course, you have already prepared yourself. It was a gang up. It was going on outside this court. And now that they have finally come, yeah, in TikTok High Court, we don't beg you to come. When you are mentioned here, you will definitely come, yeah? Now they have come, there's going to be that kawa, yeah? But the court is going to do a lot to protect you, also protect them, because they have the right, you understand? We're going to stick to that. So prepare yourself, and if there's any emotional breaks that you will need, you are human, you're allowed to, yeah? But whatever you're going to hear, this is from a lover or somebody you thought loves you, whatever he says, it's okay. So by your own approval that we bring them up now. Can we proceed? Madam Prosecutor?
Absolutely. I think that's fine. I will.
Your Honor, can I approach the bench?
Go ahead.
Thank you so much. And this is Auka and Sons Advocates LLC. Today I'm appearing here not as a judge but as an attorney for my client, one Soinke Kores. My client retained me and directed me to address this court as follows. Number one, on 28th October 2025, through our advocates, we approached this court and submitted our plea before this court that my client was one pop star, stole, for lack of a better word, a lot of cash from my client Soinke through lovely fraud. Your Honor, the record reflects a pattern of procedural inconsistencies and unequal treatment that has compromised the undersigned right to fair and impartial proceedings. I tabled evidence supporting the undersigned positions, and we were not afforded proper consideration, while opposing assertions were accepted without equivalent scrutiny, even after we sent evidence and all that. This imbalance has raised substantial concerns that the outcome may have been influenced by factors unrelated to the actual merits of this case before us today. A related case is currently before the court, and it actually relies on similar facts I presented on 28th October 2025, arguments and procedures. And in light of these concerns described, proceedings with that matter under the same inequitable framework would risk additional unfairness. With these regards, I respectfully request the court, number one, to recognize and address the procedural iniquities present in this matter, and number two, dismiss this case currently before it to prevent further inconsistencies or unfair outcomes. The same way, on 28th October, our case was thrown and dismissed that my client was trying to buy love. And I remember very well, Kamba Princess here was bragging and boasting, with a lot of bravado that she's the best thing that has ever happened to Popstar. Shockingly, I even said that the same thing will one day fall into trap. On that day, if Judge Muli and Madam Prosecutor, you can remember very well. But with all that, the court still chased us away and said that my client is chasing young boys, trying to buy love. In the same breath, I want this court to declare this issue of Kamba Princess. I request this court to treat this case of Kamba Princess the same way it dealt with our case last time and declare it persona non grata. As that one continues, Kamba Princess also, there's a principle called volenti non fit injuria. In one way or another, she accepted the risk because I warned on 28th that the same blade you guys are using to cut my client will one day cut you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Senior Counsel Senior Counsel Auka and Auka Sons. Today is another turn of charges or proceedings or submissions. As a senior or as a chief justice, your request has been denied with facts number 1. That number 1, you admitted in this court, the same court, that your client, Ms. Sonke Kores, was unfit.
So thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Remember to like, share, comment, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you know every time I post a new video. So guys, thank you. I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye.